ngithi ahlambe mzala abasekusethi speaking first dani before get a stop samanyora ngitawufela nomdala ngiphethe yonke bari wahlari phambili kathi ngizobiza nopepe.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode. And guys, I'm joined by the ladies today, and I'm also joined by my nigga. So yeah, I'm joined by Utumi Kulupagazi, Watermelon McFeast, and also I've got my nigga, as I said, I've got Utrega Saga. Let's start with the ladies. Ninjan.
Siyaphila
Njani? Kulova, right? Okay. Bro, are you good?
100 my dog.
Yeah, ne? Yeah, and it's been long on Bay too since we've chopped it up, bro.
We're back again.
Yeah, we're back at it. Like a crack at it. Yeah. Into ngifuna ukuyazi ke gini qala. Like let's first start with like how it's been, like how would you describe your week? Like how would you describe your week?
Aye. Ding. Hi guys. It was just normal. Like ish. Yazi kungabi nemali. Yonke into very boorish.
Stressful.
So it was not nice. Was it nice?
Since it's holidays.
I mean,
we're on our first living, and I don't even feel ashamed when I do that. You know,
It's not normal, God.
yeah, I know. I usually say avuka masiya ikolweni nani yabo. So me now, like when it's school like days and stuff, it's very stressful for me because I need to come back home. The workload is like horrible, you know, and then you need to study and also do your homework on the same day. Yabo. So now, man, yabo.
It feels like you're routine.
Ish. Yabo. So yeah, I won't say much, but yeah, I'm enjoying these holidays. I'm enjoying sleeping. Yeah.
Ne? Do you wish like it could be like this forever? Do you feel like that?
No, not to go to mine. Like imali ngizoyilanda kanjani?
Kufunakala imali, ne?
yeah,
Imali ish yabo.
Mala isithande.
Mhlambe kumele ngenze something ngesintu.
You feel like that?
Talenta inabugozi.
Kumele ngenze something ngesintu, serious.
Yeah. How would you describe your week, bro? How has it been, man?
It's fine, in fact. I'm going to leave now. Then go leave for 2 weeks. So kind of boy recently. Ngapha my birthday celebration. So twala papalazo yakho.
Yeah, ne?
Sabawa.
Yeah.
Utshwala, you have normalized ukuphuza utshwala, ne? Like that thing, it's a norm now, like ukuphuza, ne?
Not wonke umuntu.
For me, I feel like sengikhulumela mina.
Yeah.
Yabo. Utshwala ngathini? I feel like utshwala should be into like occasional, not ukuthi uphuze manje every day.
Every weekend msali.
If khona abanye abaphuza every day.
Fun. Khona abanye zukara lokuphuza every now and then. Khona abasemele ba esikolweni bangana access ukuphuza every now and then. Khona bangabuthanda utshwala.
But I feel like the world is just normalizing BS.
Alcohol. It's a generation,
BS,
It's the generation.
And yazini like yenzakala ekhasi mfethu, I don't know, bro, but I mean I've noticed this. Like I wanna like if like it's month end, ayikasi uyabona mfethu. Even uthola nomuntu ahamba mfethu nebhodlela mfethu ubona ukuthi yeah mfethu it's a month end mfethu. And so we have normalized ukuthi nje to have fun, like is to drink, bro.
Abantu ababhaya banale mentality with you don't know when you might die, so
You only live once.
yeah. That's why mentality I think is based on that kakhulu. So why ngayitshuphi mfethu ngizoyenzenye next month.
Mara mina ngibona ngathi they're looking at it in like a wrong perspective, yabo. Like maybe look at it in a way ukuthi sonke sazi ukuthi wonke umuntu uzofa emhlabeni, but also look at it in a way ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungilethe emhlabeni to do a purpose, yabo, a purpose. So why don't you come and do that purpose instead of you doing that? Like, cause mawufika uyobuzwa na ukuthi mina ngikulethele emhlabeni ukuthi uyoyenza kanje wena wenza
If you
kanje.
purpose ukuphuza mzala. You never know.
You'll never know. You just never know, bro.
You never know your purpose.
Banye babalekela khona vele ejweleni.
And it's not like ukuthi wonke umuntu unaleyo mentality actually. It's just atmosphere esikuyo basically ukuthi most people bana if ubheka grand it's only a few people othola ukuthi maseka grand life inozophuma out like us but most the mentality ukuthini mang like us weekend
Ngiyabujupha.
khohle ukuningi.
And then, like, what's your take, like, on people like who use alcohol as a remedy, something like to
Easy
to
pain.
get through like some of the things or trial and tribulations and stuff like that? Like, what's your take on that? Because like there are people like who drink alcohol just to ease my pain, dog. But I mean, I feel like it create more problems, bro. You feel me? Because now, like, I'm after drinking, I feel like it's a temporary solution, dog. Like,
It's
for
a
me.
temporal
Because,
solution.
Yeah, it is.
Thing is ne abanye abantu mfethu akufani ukuphuza ngisona. Khona umuntu ophuza ngoba what this way outsake or cherry
yeah,
for leyo
true.
moment leyo
Yeah.
avuke kuseni inkinga sezi right.
Yeah,
Khona umuntu ophuzisa ukuthini khona izinto engifuna ukuzenza life in para ngikhona so le mali enginayo ayikho into engayenza ithi ngijube once khona umuntu onenkinga za
but
lifetime jo.
I have a question. Is alcohol a solution?
That's the thing now, because they use the alcohol as a solution. When you might not think ukuthi it's a solution, but for that certain person at that time, it's a solution.
It is a
Kuye.
solution.
Yeah, kuye phela it's a solution. When in your own perspective, you can look at it and say, to me, like alcohol is not a solution. Maybe like abstaining from certain things, like maybe you're not drinking, maybe hanging out or be with friends, and try to focus more on these things that are giving you problems and
also-
try to fix them.
And also something that I've noticed, it's not a solution. Alcohol use as a solution for a certain period of time, and then it gets to become an addiction. Ungasaboni nokuthi addiction.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
how it leads to addiction. Yeah.
Gcina ungasanotice ngawe ukuthi angisolve inkinga ngi-addicted no.
And I think it
Yes.
destroys you, hey?
Yeah, it does.
In a way.
It does. How so?
Umuntu oconsumer i-alcohol ne uzoyibona ngokuthi okay mhlawumbe unenkinga yabo wena every time njalo ma unenkinga you run to alcohol because there's many things you can instead of you drinking like mhlawumbe like hambo penda or something, you know.
Try something
Try
cold,
something like, you know, try something like different and stuff. And like uyophuza nana so isport or mfethu angazu nje uyistakwa nase like the way like uzipresenta ngakhona ebantwini like bazokutreata the way uzipresenta ngakhona yabo so sebayazi vele nasakasi ukuthi lo istakwa uhlala ayistakwa izinto yabo nabantwana abancane abasakuhloniphi like uyadeleleka nje yabo like they don't see any worth in you.
But I don't think kuma 2K khona leyo nkinga leyo. That it reached to that point ukuthi classify as isdawa.
For me it does.
You know, the thing is, Leona Lente, sure, it's something valid, but you also need to look at activities as now around the cars. It's not okay. Akona, but onkumuntu usaba ukuphuma kuleyo comfort zone. Ukuthi when I'm going through something, it's in your gym. When I'm going through something, let me do into it and so on. The only thing is ibona solution like but honestly dog this is in things that ngiyaphuma nyala ku mamthile nconke amabhi ayi2 yabo keep ipapalazi yangithola into enjalo ukuthi ucabange like outside of the box ukuthi amani thinyo gym or ithing draw like noku exercise ama skills akho ingqondo nokukhathala nokuvilapha ayifiki there more used to alcohol.
But tell me, bro, like uyakhohlwa vele like if you say now I'm drinking, do I forget about my problems?
You do dog.
You do.
Honestly,
like
you do.
Like completely.
Have you ever noticed ukuthi if ngama ngicela ningitshele ne have you ever noticed ukuthi when you're drunk you become most comfortable ukhohlwa ngento ebhayi. That's the only moment abantu abayithanda etshwaleni and abadwela kuyo kakhulu. That's when you forget
And
about
that's why
your
most of the
problems.
people prefer utshwala than isonto.
Yeah, because you become yourself completely.
But for
Yeah, because even like you can use the church like to maybe to solve some of the problems that in the society that's not a
no, it
solution.
doesn't
dog.
exist dog in church. No, it doesn't.
And it
doesn't,
depends. You only forget your problems maybe for a few hours. Then also sober. We are in our west.
uyacabanga
'Cause
futhi and then you
Yes.
go yabo, that's how it leads to addiction now.
'Cause
we ends
now-
every day to avoid your problems.
Okay, excuse me.
Okay.
So I want to ask ne, since ngathi ni against utshwala and stuff,
Eh.
how often do you drink?
Yo, mina ngizoba honest ne, I only drink like okay, December like lapho yabo. Mara nakhona mangiphuza angiphuzela ukudakwa yabo.
Uphuzela ukwenzani? Uphuzela ukwenzani?
I'm just drinking because yabo. It's like hear me out.
Okay,
Listen.
Let her
Angiphuzela
cook, it's
ukudakwa.
fine.
Yabo. Mina I'm like mina ngumuntu othandazayo othanda uNkulunkulu and nje ngithanda uNkulunkulu yabo. So I obey God's rules. Mathi ungaphuza but not ukuthi udakwe. Yeah, understand ukuthi phuma phi leyo. Ukuthi angidakwi.
But don't you become tipsy in a way? That's being
Oh
drunk.
yes,
boss.
it gets there. Okay.
Anyone bese uba
Do
tipsy.
you control like the amount of alcohol that you consume? Do you control like you know what?
Yeah.
Njengoba sengiphuze like maybe
I
two
know how
bottles,
to
am good
control
now.
myself. I do know how to
Do you?
control myself. I'm not going to
Guys, mina,
lie.
I don't drink most of the times. Angazi mina ngithi ngiphuza kanjani nakhona like it's only cans because I'm not even allowed to be seen drinking, right?
Is
Because of how
Because of
I'm setting a good example ebantwaneni. Yes, mina most of my friends are kids. Kabanga kune video ngise groove me no alcohol sila because I do have videos where Usmail Bega postile ngibekisa vana like I was like angiphuzi kakhulu I'm lightweight. December nakhona uyayenza ukuthi December nje udlule uphele ngaphuzaka.
Is it?
Yeah, like I ngazi utshwala
So
like
what do you do when you have problems? Like how do you
Yeah.
solve your problems?
when I have I deal with my problems or I sleep. That's the only
Sleep.
thing. Yeah. Or I
Is it another
I do
remedy?
something.
Sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping
Yeah.
is the best. Mara ifana nokutawa because you sleep. My problems are kayama. The moment
You're
you
not
wake up
solving anything, dog.
Yeah,
Imagine
bro.
if like you've been sleeping.
Something that I've noticed.
and eating too.
Girls like to prat, dog.
Yeah, I mean, I
They like
vent.
to prat. Like bayakhuluma when she's going through something, they talk. That's
Mina
the
she my
most.
vent. I overshare food.
Iremedi ngathi I notice from mantombazana.
Mina ngathini ne.
Or they
Ukuthi-
vent out actually
Yeah.
type thing. Oh.
Yeah.
But
that's
also
what
I
can
vent
also
out
say
to
about me.
myself. I don't vent out to people. So
Me
like,
like
I
can't,
still-
guys.
still-
Still, I go into
I'm
next.
trying-
How is it solving? Because now, like, it's
It
like
doesn't
if you
work.
know something and you decide to vent it out to yourself, you already know it, bro.
Mina
What's the
share my
point?
friends know. Mina,
No, what's the point? Because
She knows.
I know
She
I've got
knows.
this problem, man.
Yeah.
But now remember, it's on my mind.
Yeah.
It's on my mind. The moment like ngikhuluma, bro, it's still the same. It's still on my mind,
I think
bro.
the thing
No.
is, I also prefer to deal with my problems internally because soon as ngenze peace now, like there's no one who can fix. I can tell you now, with a dog, I'm going through a certain situation. Whatever's on Kayona feedback, it could make me change perspective yale on top. But I'm the only person who can convince myself otherwise. So sometimes it does help. We could see, you know what? Let me speak with myself. Accept. You could say, I need to find a solution.
yeah, accepting.
Ngizozibulala. That's how
Ex-
bathi bathi polite.
Yeah, that's how.
That's how bathi bathi hell.
Yes, yeah, that's why.
That's fun.
yes.
That's fun. Like,
Yeah, that way it leads to, dog. That's
Nashe
where
fine.
it leads to.
Kuluva
Yeah.
knows ne and my friends too. Those who are in my circle. Nashe miyaventa. Yazi angimandi ukusend i-voice note ya 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Ngikhuluma ukuthi okay sharp. I'm going through this and this. Yazi nanoma umuntu angeke akusize ukusolve i-problem, but then maybe ama words of encouragement they could like change ukuthi uchinche maybe nendlela ocabanga ngayo for a solution. Maybe like I could think about something else because my friend said this and this and this. And obvious abangani banama views are different and then now uyabona ukuthi okay sharp ile ekalo I so sebenzisa kalo then that's how I deal with my problems amara as long as inganamntwana inkinga sisi right sayibo.
So when
But I think-
you went out to your friends.
Yeah,
So, Pella, remember, there's this thing ukuthi a shoulder to cry on.
Oh, I wanna get there. I wanna ask that. Since you're talking about venting and stuff,
Yeah.
which are the problems is dealing our mostly like which generation yet? my problems like masithi I'm going through a certain situation mostly in okay from my side ngathini uthando nemali
Yeah,
in family
yeah,
situation
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
In family situation.
Yeah,
yes.
young son.
Yeah.
So I think, but mostly essence ukuthi okay, no, actually I want to ask you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ukuthi yiphi esingathi sidila ngayo mostly senze ukuthi sifune lawo ma remedy in terms of drinking or self introspection and stuff.
I think the denominating factor is peer pressure.
Peer pressure in our generation.
I need peer pressure. Let generation
Kakhulu,
le.
kakhulu.
Yo,
Partially,
peer
I think
pressure.
partially. Kancane, not kangako.
Guys,
Iningi
I'm not
kakhulu.
case, izinto eziningi.
Especially for mina ne, I think izinto engizibonayo esikolweni like umntwana afike right, you know, like uzimisele ngencwadi zakhe and the next thing is just uyabona na ukuthi la kusena future. Why? It's because of abangana hamba nabo. Ubona mngani wakhe uyabhema umngani wakhe umtshela ukuthi hayi wena you a loser because you don't smoke, you don't like you must be cool, like to be cool like kumele ubheme to in order for you to be cool. And naye sekathathekile sekayabhema manje at least to addiction sekabanjani sekamoshekile.
Pressure yemali
Yeah, I feel
Yazi
like it's
mangana
money,
mali.
bro. Listen, bro.
Inkinga dog.
Yeah, it's money. Imagine, bro. And I go to a grove and I remember I must look like Tuguti, like my outfit in Jan and
Yo.
I feel like in our generation, like dog.
Okay, it's also
Um,
goes
Isn't
goes
that
back
peer
to
pressure?
peer pressure, dog. Also goes back to, but yeah, you can continue. Also
Yeah.
goes back, yeah.
But I feel like, bro, we as a generation, you know, like we like to keep a standard that we can maintain, dog. Like we like
Much,
to
dog.
to show
Facts.
a standard that we can maintain, bro.
Yeah.
That's the problem, bro.
Too
You
much,
see?
dog.
Yeah, and that goes back to money. It doesn't go back to peer pressure, bro. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Mara ne pressure.
Yeah,
peer
but you know, thing
Yeah,
is, like,
partially,
when
though.
if you can consider the fact, Joguti, when I go to groove, I need to look a certain way. Goes
It's
back
pressure.
to money and
Yeah.
also pressure. and so on.
Because you
'cause
saw
you-
someone else
Yeah.
wearing in
Udese.
that way.
No, but like obviously everyone wants to outshine abanye abantu.
As
How is it
always.
peer pressure in that
Okay,
situation?
what's
Ufuna
the
outshine-
point? What's the point of wanting to outshine someone if I was
Awufuni pressure.
Exactly my point.
Because you
Khona
feel
manje,
a certain thing,
ngibona
so
watermelon-
ufuna outshine.
Yebo ngibona
No, but
watermelon
abanye
akho
like
vele
bafuna
kuphi
ukubukwa vele, like you know, like
I-pressure.
I-pressure.
egroovini ufuna ukubukwa vele.
Pressure. Why you feel the
Pressure.
pressure? Because if you know that you're a simple person, you wouldn't even feel
Banye
pressure.
parts,
ukuthi-
shay
Nje,
short yakho
and bakhona
vest.
yazi abanjalo.
Yeah.
Afike ngevest nje. Niqhapqhap wena lapho.
Yeah, na i-pressure
uhambe
I agree,
wathenga iteki elipintshayo.
Yeah, but it's money, dog. It's money.
Yabo.
It's money.
Yeah, money,
And
money.
money
And
also.
love,
Yabo.
yo.
Yeah,
I
ain't
feel
no
like
time,
generation
dog.
is yago.
I know Tando, let's go use that.
Yo,
Nalo ne peer pressure futhi.
yo. Nalo ne peer
Yeah.
pressure.
One thing
in a
I've
way.
noticed about Ama2K I appreciate banomkhopolo.
How so?
Because you can't tell me Guti, okay, maybe usuka ngafeel ngathi lo muntu anaye is the one for him or her, but then yazi banjani ufuna ukubamba abantu abaningi ngesikhathi esiyi-1, which is impossible. You
Let's
can't.
cook. Yeah.
You can't. You have to be loyal. Mara like, okay, sharp. I think there was, what if like the person lo anaye manje uyafeel ukuthi is not the one, but then mina I believe ukuthi if umuntu uyafeel ukuthi he or she is not the one for you, let the person go. Ungambeki umbracket uthathe omunye nangomunye. Guys, lina la riheta. Ay.
No, but even girls does that.
And that's
though.
Yeah, that's why I
they
need to
do
he or
that,
she.
dog.
Each generation needs I appreciate.
But-
It's unappreciative.
mina nesengikhulumela
Ne
esayidini
pressure
lami.
futhi.
Pressure,
Mina sengikhulumela esayidini lami ne.
I said like you're nest.
Ngikhulumela bonke mhlawumbe bazodisagree kule nto engiyikhulumayo. So ngikhulumela mina ngiyi-one, yabo.
Yeah.
So mina ngifila ngathi okay, not hayi bonke like amantombazana or abafana banjalo yabo. People tend to like bakwenza umuntu ongasuye yabo. Umuntu afike empilweni yami akutshela into ekanje ukuthi okay mina ngiyakuthanda watatat, and then the next minute nakho sekuvela amanye amantombazana ayithi
As boys are pathological liars.
Ay.
Those people
The thing
lie.
is, ay, the thing is,
Boys
okay.
lie.
So some
Boys
guys
lie.
actually you know what I like to say good siyafana. And thing is see now we always initiate that relationship. Yangithola.
Yes.
Uzofika okay thing that so something that amachite kumele understand. Mawuzo approach umama sangithola. Fika kumama simtshele straightforward mfethu nginomabhebeza ngine side chick so ngifuna into ekanje ku. Into esilulayo leyo masama out ngithola.
Let's approach ngamanga. Which is yes cowards. I
No,
ngisho ukuthi we once banini.
Yeah, we
Tshela ukuthi
Find
mina
out through ama SMS.
okay no thing is yes okay point lami ukuthi into esihlula samajita ne sihlulwa ukukhuluma iqiniso ukuthi mfethu mangi approacha ngine baby mama engisakho-parenta but siyabonana nginanani ngiyangithola leyo qiniso lelo makalizwa lo muntu omfunayo uzotshintsha ingqondo yakhe nasocabanga ukuthi hayi lo uzothi akasangifuni so athi ngishashayo dog sihlulwa iqiniso but at the end of the day
mina ngitshela
Mina
ukuthi
sishashayo.
nje ngisempilweni yakho ukuthi ngizokudlala
For 6
angikho
months.
la for 6 months
Yeah.
or for a year nje
Or
ngichitha
just
isikhathi
say-
sakho or for fun yabo.
Just say, okay,
Ngitshele.
hi, are you good? I'm looking. Inkinga makanathi. Some of the girls know their worth. You can't just approach me ngitshela ukuthi I'm here for fun. Inhliziyo yabani. You're here for fun and vibes. You're here to
I'm
guys.
here for a good time, not
For
a
a
long
good
time.
time. Yo, just be honest. I think umuntu mankhuluma nizofika to a certain point yokuthi you agreeing to this thing. Kesha, okay, me and you are not dating. Angazi if you me and you are not dating. You're just having fun. Oh, me and you are dating, but then it's an open relationship. Ningasitshela manga nithi siba yiwani.
No,
Awu, what guys?
bro, like you can approach a hand ne
yeah
thola ukuthi vele mhlambe awujuli and stuff. Okay, you get a hand, you guys are in love and stuff like that. I feel like mina it's not a satisfaction like of that certain person that you're in a relationship with, because if like you complete me like must together, there's no reason for me like to look outside, bro.
Pressure.
You feel
I-pressure yabona abafana nina niyayifeel i-pressure nizothi nise-groove umbone laphana lerawo lelikima wathi bore motho a o kile ke China kwa ashwap na ba re ntwana lesi esibona lesi simile lesi sakwa uzosibona shawa i-pressure umlande
Othi yasibheka no.
and those things guys and the letter le ikwenza lose self confidence
Yeah.
ukabona bakureplace ngumuntu opakile neshwap. Like you think ukuthi she's like no, it's not enough. It's not enough.
Yeah, I feel like cheating is basically just saying to your partner that you are not enough.
Yeah.
If I understand, yabo.
you know something that I believe in ne yabona ukukhula khona lese kuthiwa angeke umane ushade ongakazi ube ne-experience or ne fun of life ngithola so no serious see, you know yazibuyela va ubheke ama-time amadala no afuna ukudate ama-2K because ekukhuleni kwabo they couldn't have that fun ngithola life in that's why bathi the age of I think from I don't know 18 until 27 or so you need to like have fun like enjoy life yakhe ngithola
so which means you must date like multiple women,
not date multiple women ngithola but have that fun
wena njengoba explore ni
Bese
mara
intombazana abathi
okay bheka
Inhliziyo
angithi ama
yabani.
perspective wethu life awafani
Awafani.
siya explore ayikuthi mangithi explore ngithi jola lo mabona lo soyamlanda nalo umshayeli masijola siyajola if relationship ethu ayisebenzi okay fine let me get someone else
ha
Yeah.
what if mina ngikhetshile wena uyifeel relationship sithini ngalokho and uwong approachila ngikulanda ngaphila mina you can't come ungishele macede uzongihetha what the fuck
no but
Mara,
uwongilandile
when the combos are not communicating mele ngenze kanjani
i-problem yazi with women, bro, they would get a gent mhlambe umfonelayo umtextayo wenzani, that guy is boring, dog. You see that nigga is boring, bro.
there's two sides of it dog there's two sides of it khona
some of us like it
yangithola
Aye,
no
bro.
like khona
don't be too much
There's
but
two-
then
yeah.
communication is
Don't be
key
too
khona
much.
bayithandayo
Yeah,
khona bangayithandi yeah
That's
also
love.
as ama out
That's love.
So wena
And
uthi
that's real
ku-right
love.
ukuthi bakufonele once after 6
like bakufonela
Sure.
if bakubuza ukuthi ukuphi nakhona bakucheck ukuthi ayikho
bakufonela ngoba ukwatile ungalile abakufonela ukuthi
yazi ukuthi aboshe ukuthi bathanda i-out enjani, i-out that doesn't text much.
That's
Yabona
a
loyo.
lie.
That's
No,
a
I'm
big
telling you,
lie.
bro. I'm telling you because bazothi isicefe dog like mase.
No, phela nawe yazi okay
Bazothi
ezinye
isicefe like yabona mase ufona like every day nani so umtext every day. Bazothi isicefe.
guys
I'm telling
enye
you,
into
bro.
esithena
That's
off
a real
ama
thing, bro.
emoji guys abafana
Ama-emoji
abasebenzisa ama
athena
emoji kunamanyama angeke kuphela ukuthi wena each and every conversation we have this is emojis we have to be dry come ukuthi okay manje sisera siyakhuluma wona sofaka ama emoji wengelosi hello my angel
Show me. But
Hey,
it goes
baby.
back to this thing. Mawubhekile dog. Does true love still exist, bro?
does,
Is
dog.
it
It
still
does.
there?
It does, dog. So much,
I mean I
dog.
have a friend who's a gone girl till now yo guys it
Abangaba
does
gone
You know-
No.
You know reason why I said
Abangani.
it, dog. Yabona,
I feel like-
if you've
okay.
dated a life in there,
Yeah.
I go to mangithi have fun, like chaparapa,
Yeah.
zokula and stuff, and so
Yes,
like
yes.
have your fair share of fun, like jola, learn ama patterns, but experience a relationship and stuff, and so khona le moment lezo kubamba so yiwani uthola umuntu yangithola ukuthi yo like ngiyamfila lo muntu lo mfethu sengidecide ukuba kanje life yami.
Yeah.
Ngiza ngama intentions yangithola yawona ifoni ihlala kanjani khona uthi uyajola ifoni ihlala kanje yawona sunezi ifoni yakho ihlala kanje asikisi umuntu ojola nayo une access efonini yakho like yonke like ucomfortable ngokuningi uthando
besinama access emafonini abo yazi
delete no thing as ngikhulumela phezukwane soon as khona there's a certain comfort like nomuntu wakho nomujola naye dog uyafeel ukuthi lo muntu lo okay khona abaqambela manga uzongasaboni khona
Hey.
abakhona ukufilisa ukuthi yazi lo muntu yangincane genuine
khona namangakhona ngiwabona ungakawakhulumi.
Serious?
mina ngiyasaba nothando because ngifuna ngathi wonke umuntu uzezide one because gents come in different approaches but they end up doing the same thing
no
guys siyasaba mina yo mina ngiyasaba
What leads to that when I'm beg? What leads to that?
umkhopolo
Yeah.
Mkhopolo.
Yes.
Nah.
You can't tell me ukuthi you're gonna tell me
Why do we
ukuthi
cheat, bro?
everything
I feel like
khona ama reasons abhaka for cheating
You
for my
can-
for side
I-
nami
ireason yokuqala ukuthi siba loyal kakhulu bese nibona ngathi
nah, that's not the reason. Not
Not
even.
even.
Not
I feel like
Not
another
even.
reason for cheating, maybe for example, I found out you were cheating and then I forgave you. Then you do it again because you know I'm going to forgive you.
but what if you don't find ukuthi ngiyachita what made you to cheat wazi ukuthi ngikhona angiproving loyal if I'm not with my friends ngisekhaya if angikho ekhaya ngisesontweni
yazi legameli
Or maybe siyabora.
loyal
No,
legameli loyal ne let me make an example for you I would say okay yazi ukuthi loyal izokuthola kayi1 ucheater do you know ukuthi ama cheater when we find intombi yami cheating I can't forgive that.
Oh, we
Each
can't.
and every
And
thing I
girls are
do.
too- And girls, bro.
Mara, you guys can't why
and ladies
Yo.
like that's why I'm gonna tell you why. Ladies are quick like to forgive cheating.
Yeah, they quick.
Right.
See, now we
Quick,
can't.
bro.
It could
It's
take me
scary.
again. No,
That's
ngizwana
why.
nawe kanje. Thola ukuthi
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why, bro. Because of ibaba febayo.
no that's me
And
I
you
think-
will never find out.
You'll
Never.
that's
You'll
the
never
thing.
find
You'll
out.
never find out. Tina Mfethu.
never find
You
out.
will never, bro. You will
do you
never.
know what I believe in I believe ukuthi if
Feba
someone
kakhulu, mfethu. Abochiri.
no
Hayi.
if
Nina,
umfana if you're in a
I'm
relationship
telling you.
if you're in a relationship and then maybe the relationship is okay but then if umfana aqala accuse ukuthi you cheating you doing
He's
what
doing it.
he's the one doing it
He's the
because
one doing
why
it.
uzocabanga ukuthi wenza into so ungayenzi wena
No,
what makes you
it's your
think ukuthi
actions.
umuntu
Uh-uh.
no
Yazi wonke amantombazana nale perspective esho ukuthi
Very.
umuntu mazomthola cheater izothi hayi ukuthi ngiyacheata kusho ukuthi wena uyayenza that's why
Yeah.
ucathi ngiyacheata and lapho nayo uyayenza vela hayi ukuthi
Yenza
akayenza
but mina
vele.
baya situation
The reason bona they are quick to forgive it's because they know ukuthi bona they play the victim part,
Yes,
bro.
yo
Cela mina sengikhulumela mina ne.
yes
Show me. Ube loyal kwi relationship ne and then umuntu akufebele and then you forgive them and then still you are loyal and then you forgive now ungikira phologolo and go rata blind now you forcing me to go out and cheat on you.
eish
ke style
No.
west sesi public abona go better if it's private about like private
Yo, and I
ngangenzela
won't lie,
impilo.
you see that
Public.
that one hits the most. Ucabanga like ukurealize ukuthi yo should bengisilima. Should lo makathi kanje yo.
kahle kahle bekwazi ukuthi ngiyimain laba
Yeah.
yabo And one thing about girls, amantombazana once akubona ukuthi uku-relationship with this guy bazofuna ukuthi bajwayele naye because ujola nawe.
Serious.
That's the problem. Yes.
I would in
Akusukuthina.
that's I also know that.
And then
Yeah,
nabafana
but
ni
thina
naive
ama-gent-
to a point ukuthi you
thina, bro.
agree. Each and every girl ozofika kuma DMs akho, yeah, ke batlo chakela uyavuma. Ngibeka phi mina no hlala endlini ungayenza ama sleepover.
You are right, Mauti. I wanna tina my gents, like we like to explore, dog. And tina in exploring, dog, I don't feel like I think into affects like maybe my diseases and stuff. But other than that, bro, ishandisa ukuthi because of now we are isebenzisa now save a small or save a no, that's not the case. You see,
You know
that's not the
ukuthi-
case.
Yeah.
Tina, we have this thing yokuthi if I've got like my main chick, I know it's okay. Lababanye vele. I must say chick, bro. To
Nyawagulisa
explore.
ama main chicken.
Yeah, to explore, bro. We must explore. That's how
Nyawagulisa.
gents. Amachita enza kanjalo. But Nina, if you guys explore, Pela, Nina, your thing is like elastic. So
Dog,
the moment
dog.
they keep on putting this thing in,
It's a lot, dog. Okay, I see Kweme so too personal. Okay.
Yeah.
Ufuna uku-explain.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi this thing phela leader to ama soul ties. You exploring, it's you having a lot of souls in your body. And once umuntu alala nabantu abaningi uyahlakahlakana guys angazi if
It's
ngeke
a true
nayibona.
dog, that thing. Good, like
Yeah.
it mixed with
Yeah.
spirits akho.
Uyahlangana-
Like, but in Kaba,
Realm.
they say like in Kaba ihlangana nomuntu
Ningi,
wesimame
dog.
nani, like
Ningi,
the
yeah.
exchange of energies there.
In the spiritual realm. So that's why even God said that sex before marriage
Is a sin.
because He only wants you to share it with someone you are committed to. You understand? Because uyazi ukuthi ama consequences aza nalento leyo. You
Guys,
understand?
ukuba nama-souls amaningi kuyahlanyisana kukhona abantu esibaziyo today uyahlanya manje not
Thola
ukuthi
ukuthi
uhlanya but then uyabona ukuthi umuntu wakhona she's damaged because
Thola ukuthi
of
omunye
a lot of
umuntu-
souls.
thola ukuthi umuntu wakho ulale nomuntu oyenza izinto ezibhedayo esayidini waze wazolala nawe so wenza izinto lo girl lo bekazenza because of why ama energies. Remember that we are not only in like asiphili nje emhlabeni kanje, but there's also the spiritual realm.
Kuninzi.
So lento leya ngithi yenzwa mhlawumbe umuntu mhlawumbe mangathola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngilana nentombazane ekhipha izisu
Not necessarily ekhipha izisu but then you don't know ukuthi amantombazane lawa alala nabo bani. Kunabantu remember kunamadoda akhendlayo la ngaphandle bakhendla ngani izinto ezisexual then ugelo uyahamba ulala noguy ulala nenyoka zakhona then wena mahloma konke uyahloma uzofakela ugelo
Nawe,
ohleli oloyal
Okusalayo ngikudlile.
You know what I'm saying?
I wanna revert back to peer pressure, dog. I wanna revert back
pressure
to
kahle kahle iumbrella.
You know ne ama-cherry asifake ama-cherry wasenze sibe ne-pressure life in.
why do you say that, dog?
They wanna fuck with ama-blessers yangithola. Umuntu uzojola naye la ekasi uzohlangana ne-out ye-bands le. Wena masiwazi ukuthi kune-out ye-bands uhlala ekasi kawo. Awuna next uyaziphandela. So uzoba ne-pressure ish. Masekathi umuntu uyahlanya into emhlanyisa akusinkaba yodwa nokuthi
That's why-
cherry yami yangisanganisa
You
ntwana.
overthink.
That's
Ngithole
why I said
sekuthiwa-
the denominating factor is peer pressure.
Too much. Ilento eceda ukisho ukuthi man sometimes nama-cherry ka in most cases iwasifakile i-pressure, dog.
You
You wanna look
Yeah.
nice, you wanna do izinto ey'thize. If ucabanga back like khona abantu abangenandaba yangithola ukuthi sengibuye kanjani or ini. If you wanna look nice and sexy in most cases like okay
And there are some of the
ngiyakuthanda
girls
and also
and
store.
kunamantombazane like acriticize ama-boyfriend wabanye abantwana yo chomi akasesilenda lo uyamazi uba nomabhenzela lapha like ezinye izinto vele i-pressure guys is the main factor yo chomi
Yo yabona
uyamazi ubani bani
Uzofeel
unegwegwe
i-pressure,
le ndoda yakho
i-kiss
ime
kiss
ngathi
manje.
izowa
Yothatha igwegwe une-kiss kiss.
yabo
Yabona ama-pressure amanye
nemoto
unnecessary.
amantombazane athanda imoto
Too much.
Banyana bangahlali
yini,
ikoloni.
aninaimoto yini?
guys angeke uthi
Yo,
kini kunganamoto
ah,
ujabulela imoto zabantu
Yo, sana,
work
iba
on
ipa-
ukuthi wena ube
iba-
But
nemoto.
still, you'd
Exactly.
find girls like abaphuma ema-suburbs who have like travel with the car like on a daily basis, like maybe ubabakho umamakho unemoto, but they'd still go for ama-gents abanemoto because they still want that comfort.
Yeah, comfort.
You still,
Or princess
yes,
treatment.
yes,
Yeah.
or a princess treatment.
Also
They
goes
still
back there.
want
Mina,
there.
I don't think
Because now mazojola maybe now. I mean, I don't have a car, bro. So
Oh,
now it's
yeah,
gonna be a
yeah.
problem now, cause manje.
Yeah, niyijwayele imoto.
Ujwayele imoto yena. Mase
Yeah.
ngithi aze ngimagibeli taxi, it's a problem, dog. She's not used to that.
Bolt manje
Yeah.
keep 150 and keep 20 rand.
Angithi angithola. Bozo save mfethu.
Yeah,
Mara
yeah.
like lento le leader to appreciate yazi into mayitholile you can't think about ama transport imoto what while list umuntu okhona ukwenza happy guys you can travel for ama hours bangakwenzi happy angazifika ngizo you can
travel for hours?
no but travel ama hours mara bekangekho happy kulo relationship yabona ukuthi leader to yini ma accept ukuthi sharp guys muntu akahana shmovani re tla vama vaya kama uto muntu akahana shmovani and siyasizana
You understand?
ukubhadala yabo
Yeah.
siyasizana
I think
ukubhadala if
also-
ubhadala yokuza ngizobhadala yokubuyela or if
Yeah.
today ubhadala yokuhamba mina ngizobhadala ya next time
Yeah.
Yeah, ibe njalo.
As being honest,
mara nina
Would you-
newapolthela
I think also
amamomozi
understanding.
would you also okay comfortability yakho would you date umuntu obonayo ukuthi akazame life in or
Oh.
njalo mangiza
Sana. You are
ngiyazikwela igawulo next mele njalo uhlale wenza iplan
lento leyo bafethu iyadraina because
guys.
angeke ngithi mina ngiyaphanda mina vele ama-hustler I know I mean I make
yeah let's
money
say when we are phanda ne uhlala unezuka
So in a relationship imali balekile kahle kahle.
yeah even
Kakhulu,
if, even if indoda I provide mara imali mele ibe khona mele sithusane ngey'mali zethu yeah
I talk
like
imali
if
ibalulekile, guys.
uzenza njani uyangitexta babe angifuni 150 yokuyogunda anginayo hlele ekhaya nje ngidlala amakhadi
afike kubafana
Snoop.
sweblesa nebenz athi mamas nali tower
le yamazipho le
boyfriend uhlulwa yile 150 yabo ipressure
yeah ipressure
Athi
mara
ngibeke
ki if uyambona ukuthi uyazama ayibo phela kusuba bakho mfana ukuthi manje unga expect izumbulu
Yeah.
zemali no we understand sharp okay akanamali we're helping each other here and there sesebancane for ukuthi singacommit emadodana neimali nani
But
Yeah.
kuyafana. Girls, bro, like I feel like amantombazana they don't believe like in our vision because Tina uzothola ukuthi maybe ngisahlanganisa yangithola.
cool dog
Yeah.
something that in mentality ngathini angazi nokuthi ngibe kanjani something that amantombazane angayibona ngisho
Yes.
this guy
Promote a
mhlambe uza ngama intentions are genuine
Yes, yeah.
intombazane like ayiboni le vision enginayo ngiyahlanganisa life
Yes.
ngikwenza izinto ezithize for wena wena ubona ngathi umugayo slow akaphandi
Yeah.
That's why I'm
slow.
saying understanding. That's
Also
why I'm
plays a
saying
part.
understanding.
appreciate
Look up exactly. Mawufika empilweni yomuntu ubona ukuthi okay wenza abantu if you are not happy with the way they are doing things leave. Leave because manje ngifila ngathi okay for example njengoba asho ukuthi yena uyaphanda wenza izinto zakhe for example mechanic and then mina ngizifunela umuntu bandla angazi oyi you know something upper than that yabo and then now I start like criticize and stuff sengimfilisa ukuthi abe small angimotivate ukuthi ayenze even more bigger ukuthi yena azokwazi ukuzivulela eyakhe ilokhunjana igarage yabo abanye abantu basebenzele manje sengiyamcriticize ngimbekela phansi yabo I'm saying just because mina preference yami is different so that's why I'm saying leave if you are not happy with how they are doing things or with how they are trying to better their lives.
enye into futhi kunalamantombazane guys ahlalayo kuma relationship ubona ukuthi uyasokola my sister ne ahlale noguy bahuzuke then umfana maseka right amshiye some of the girls are scared of that
no can
It happens.
Can I tell you
It
the reason
happens.
why? Can I tell you the reason why yabona moy out masohlala sithu mhlambe ngiyahuzuka uyangithola uyangibekezela and stuff like that ngithola ukungibekezela ukuze umfana azokushiya ukungibekezela kwakho ungibekezele but bongijaparapela that's why ngizothi mangizoba nemali life in ngizomane ngithi yazini lo kade angihetha sengigrand athi ngimtshengisa ukuthi senginjani lo
Yeah.
that's the thing but
Yeah.
mangabe ungibekezela like since fund one ukuthi yazini lo mugelo angeke khona out ojole nayo like from next uzubona ukuthi na uze wena ufile ngathi uzokushiya instead akutshela ukuthi next mfethu mase ka grande life inathi mfethu ubheka na 50,000 every month
Just poppy.
uyafeel ukuthi okay noma ukubeka ngithanda
Yeah.
but
that's also le ibuyela futhi kwi-true love ne. To be honest, mina, I do believe that true love here exists because of the household I was brought up in. You know, seeing my mom and dad support each other in every way. And ukuze bafike la bakhona, it wasn't easy, but kunama stage la bekufanele ukuthi bandlule khona, and also
To
it
strengthen
wasn't
their relationship,
exactly, and
yes.
also it wasn't even hard for them because it was also their first time doing that, whatever that is, for them to get to a certain level or to that way, yabo. And nakhona ngifila ngathi ekhaya, you know, ibuyela ku charity begins at home. If you are shown love, you know how to love someone else.
Is it?
Yeah, because
Yes.
yazi bengizibuza like ukuthandwa kwami ngisuke ngingathandwa yini ekhaya. Rikazela mara ngiyabona ukuthi no ekhaya ngikhuliswe ngothando. That's why ngifuna ukushare uthando ngikhuliswe ngalo.
Exactly.
Because like yazi bisengibuza nabangani bami kere chomi yini ekhaya bangithandi or kanjani. Okay, ngiyabona ukuthi lo thando engithanda ngalo yilo thando ngifuna ukuthandwa ngalo nami and yilo thando ngithole kithi. Manje ay mfethu thina sizithole lezo zinto. Unosithanda mayithi.
Ngithanda makini.
Yeah.
Does it have like an impact into ukuthi mhlambe nihlangane? Usho ukuthi ningahlangana egroove kwi-true love?
Yeah.
It depends.
Some
It
it's
happens.
rare, maybe
Yeah,
0.9.
bro.
Mina wona ka uthanda ngibelieve ukuthi sometimes it's true. It's really hard ukuthola uthando kule generation yethu ngithola.
Yeah.
it's
Our
Reason of ama
generation
peer
is full
pressure
of
imali
excruciating
wonke umuntu
things.
ufuna
It
ukuposta
is.
nguphi sengihlala kuphi ngenzeni life mina ngithola.
Banban sise mall. Okay, sise siku vacation. What
Umaji-
uspororo no speech ojole abana mali mara uyakuthanda.
Ubheke imost yama
Ngizame
relationship.
ngenkawu zara. Ngawuna yawe wena mana futek
Laba bahlale emakuleni laba.
Yo sana.
I tell
Yo, I won't lie
Yo,
to
too
you.
much.
But also like,
Aw.
would you date someone like umthola senento zakhe? Like cause
It's
uzokubalisela.
hard.
Yeah, you
It
think
gets to control.
control,
It gets to control
yes,
that thing,
yes.
dog.
No, it
Yeah.
goes back to what I've just said right now. Ukuthi you start from scratch with your partner. Ukuze nizokwazi ukunderstand.
But you guys
ukuthi-
don't believe in
You
our
know,
vision.
oh,
That's the thing.
You know, njoba ngitshela ukuthi the way ngibelieve ngakhona ukuthi uthando ne original. Yabona ka umuntu ozozwana naye for sometimes some people say iminyaka isho next ngithola. But umuntu ozoba nephone naye
Yeah,
from high school days.
Who's this? Uzamaduma. Bamlobole within a week. Shothi ubonile ukuthi uyamthanda.
From like uthando
Yeah,
ufila ukuthi
it wasn't.
yabona, li genuine kangakanani.
It didn't have
dog.
to wait for years.
For years.
Yeah, to see ukuthi
Yeah.
no, lo
It
muntu
doesn't
lo
necessarily
ngiyamthanda.
need to be ukuthi it's been 4 years or in ngithola. Okay, we could maybe mind that fact for now, but mina uthanda ngifila ngathi liba genuine sometimes, not based on imali and stuff. If you've been with this certain person for years ngithola, angeke kube lula ukuthi umshiye like ufila a lot ngithola for that person. Unless usobuyela kule point lokuthi maseka popilo ka uyamshiya, but sometimes I don't feel like it's easy for you out ukuthi shinto. Yona maso ushiya out life in hlala bazi uthi hayi le out bengasakufuna vele
Bengakuthandwa.
sidala.
Yeah, from the get-go, like, shiyashila.
Mase ushiya outside
Yeah,
bengakufuna.
no,
Hey,
shiyashila.
bese izwile uwe.
Yeah,
But
sekazwile
nje
uwe.
uthando
Yeah.
lo genuine, it takes for
Kahle abafana bathuswa uthando lwamampela ne.
no, not even.
No, not even.
Yazi uthando lamampela yazi kumnandi kanjani ukuthemba intombi yakho like kwazi
Yo,
ukuthi
it's so
uphumile
nice,
kuphi
bro.
kuphi angina
It's so
stress.
nice.
Like
That's a
uthanda
nice
esifunayo.
feeling. Yeah, that's a nice
And
feeling.
yazi ka into ebhedayo amantombazana ayakwazi ukutshengisa uthando ne umuntu abuya kubilise akufilise futhi ukuthi ngayibilisa inhliziyo yakho
Yeah,
ngakutshengisa ukuthi ngayithola out engcono ukudlula wena.
Yeah, true.
Kumele ngibe njani ke lapho angeke ngishawe peer pressure angeke ngifile ngathi lo muntu
Mali.
akangithanda angeke ngishintshe.
Okay, nami ithi ngikhuluma iside lab. In most cases, I get insecure niggas, but then ngiyaba assure ukuyabona umuntu ayibamba ifoni yakho ayenze yonke into, but still when you're out uzocabangela ukuthi wenza so and so and so. Angazi yini inkinga elida to insecure.
Intombazana anamanga eneke kuyithola intombazana mayicheat.
Inkinga nina
You'd never,
nisjudge-
you'd never,
nisjudge
you'd
based
never,
on your-
you'd never.
your experience from, let's say ujwele nolungile mina ngumabhuli and then uzongijudge based on ukuthi ulingile was loyal and then makahamba bekayenza into so now I have
ukuthi
to
abantu abanedrama mfethu
I have to be
abo girl, they
crucified
like to
for
show
izono
themselves.
zakalungu.
Yabona like mhlambe mawuzocheat mhlambe nabanye abochiya yibo abazofuna ukuziveza labo ama side chick akho wena, but bona ama gent it's rare ukuthi umjita azoyiveza ukuthi ngijola ngidlogele kabani.
Yeah, you know, in a certain petty ne yamachita, certain petty ne something maybe you don't know, secret yamachita. yazi each and every time umchita mak approacha ukugaya 100% trust mangamfeelisi insecure mangamfeelisi next ukugaya 100%
true.
trust it only takes one
Yeah.
f up ukuthi a change perspective yakhe ngawe and then after that
uchayile
chayile
yeah.
ngeke
And then you never change that mindset yabona my sekubonile ukuthi yabona like if ngizokuthola that's why makuthola like kucheatile ukuthi akuxolele that's a lie guys don't forgive cheating we don't bro
we trust too much and then ladies tend to say
But okay,
they give
if
too
you
much
are saying-
loyalty.
If you are saying that guys don't abaxolelani for cheater, when you cheating, do you know what it does to a woman? Do you
It
know
does a
how it
lot.
destroys you emotionally?
Okay, not ukuthi ama outs akhona ukuxolelana ne. There's
baby,
guys
she's just a friend.
No, guys, you guys are just thinking for yourself.
No, baby, she's just a
No.
friend. She's my cousin.
And
Ni two erumi no cousin ni live TikTok or nenzani. Sibona status or inyawo zaka cousin.
Alo sekenza ngamasboom ke awuko.
yeah wenza on purpose
She's just a friend. Guys, nina like affect each other.
Futhi
Do you know what
it
it
triggers
really
ne
fair,
trauma.
no.
Yeah, it does. I'm not going to lie to you cause manje okay, asithike umxolelile sharp yandlula lento leyo ne. Ayi king. And then it gets to a point whereby yena sekaya kuthola uya cheater now. Why ngicheatile in the first place? It's because of you. It's basically you saying I'm not enough.
so wabona ukuthi revenge is the solution
For abanye solution is revenge, but for me now,
And kunala mantombazane
no
athi
revenge because honestly speaking, hey, when we are mina ngiyaphela, so no,
Yeah,
I love
you see,
myself
yes,
and I see
yeah,
my worth. So
yeah.
I don't think revenge is the best
Yeah, it's not.
option. I feel
khona la
like the best
mantombazane
option
lawo
is
guys
leaving.
athatha i-revenge
It's not
serious
even leaving,
athi wangiphula inhliziyo I'll date your father. Those girls engeke ngibasho because yey umuntu ahethe umntwana ajole nobabakhe bese yabona ukuthi wena sozohlangana nami uhethwe usibani ojole nobabakho
Ay, my
xa
dad
ukuthi
wouldn't
nami
do that.
ngiyenza
that's crazy
That's a lot.
that's a lot angeke
guys once baphula
That's insane.
i-trust angazi ngizothini once like
Yeah.
batriggera ama-trust
Yo.
issues kuwe I don't think you'd ever get to a point ukuthi
Yeah.
ungatrust umuntu uqeda ukumbona or bani angazi nifuna ukuthi si-ene kanjani i-trust yenu because nina nisjaja based on your
Cheating
past relationship.
trust is
cheating.
build and end bro
No, but
more trial ukuthi yo yes there's something that I always used to say ukuthi lento ngisho typical example your phone dog ngizwana nomuntu ifoni yakho hlala comfortable ushiya but soon as sengibona ukuthi awusayenzi leyo nto leyo
Yes.
triggers
Yeah, true.
ama past tense ukuthi something going on
There's- yeah something is up
mina
yeah
ngithi
Yeah.
and ngisasha namanje angakuposta still
Angithembi ukuthi
bazofuna
kunomfana
one ku status
guys
usibone
angithembi
wekuphela
ozofuna ukuba i-second option akubona ukuthi upost umuntu wakhe like upost nina
mina
niyambona
ngicela
niyampost
uku-
umuntu wakhe
there
mara
was-
nizoya soloko
there was this one time ne because mina angathi ne it gets to a point whereby like you just don't care anymore you're just like yabo.
nalona
So there was
futhi
this one time ne beka poste like bekuye
ubani loyo
that's not important I'm just saying ukuthi like izinto yabo ezenzakalayo yabo beka poste is like uye ne like ngathi beka bheka ugeli kanje and then the girl was looking at like him ne and abheki like but ugeli like ubuso bakhe bengavelanga yabo bekubheli like eside ne and like she had like a weave and stuff yabo so it's like beka like yabo masibhekane kanje yabo like
ngiyayibona
yabo
le, if you kanje, okay,
yabo
okay.
masibhekane kanje ne I saw the status but I didn't want to view it yabo ngiyabuyela ngiziview still so angazi ustilithile like I did azange ngam approach till this day
yazi
I
guys
didn't.
ne nina nizosenza sibe namanamba ethu ngaphela ikhwelentini nzala yazi umuntu akuposte kwa Instagram ne-family zikwazi maka amantombazane wathari ngofayona kanabo
uzucoke nesintu sakuwa uzuyela impopo
uziye khona no guys mina that's why ngithi lento le ibuya futhi kulento ngisho ukuthi aka appreciate umuntu ngeke ukuthi ngikhona ukhomba abantu ukuthi ngowakhe abanye abafana vele ngeke bang approach because bayazi ukuthi ngijona but amantombazane azokufuna solo kwaba bazi ukuthi uwami yabona ukuthi unfair.
Aye, it's a 50-50 lento.
Guys, no, it's not
think
a
it's also
50.
50.
Tell me.
It's a 50-50.
It's rare
You'd still be
khona
approached,
it's
regardless
rare.
ukuthi
It's rare.
Yeah,
Okay,
no,
sharp.
yeah.
Compliment amara.
Angifuni ukukhipha amagama abantu ne. Angifuni ukukhipha amagama abantu. But there was a time whereby umngani wami bekajwayela nalo girl lo munye and then like they've been dating for I think 3 years or so ne, and they broke up and umngani ka lo beka my best friend like they were close yabo. Umngani ka lo mayiseka busy nalomntana lo ucela lo ukuthi ngicela i-ex yakho ngicela ukumthatha ebe yi-girlfriend yami to a point whereby now so yadineka ukuthi yo kuni lo muntu lo angicela like ngithathe as fine and then jiki so yenza content naye niyatrenda, you guys are all lovey-dovey and stuff. It goes back to trust. It's cheating ifana ne betrayal. You feel very betrayed because you know that I trusted you with like yo being term and everything and then you go out and do such things like yo I'm not going to lie. For me na personally cheating
we
like
uyayixolela wena cheating.
I would I won't
dala sixe bafethi dala sixolele cheating maka at some point hayi bafethi
mina ngaze ngajola so angaze ngixola
8% okay, out of 100 80% amantombazana forgive cheating.
we do.
Yeah, they do.
And it's
See, out of
unfair.
100, only 20% yamachita khona ukuxolelela.
Yeah, i-cheating.
Akho lula for amachita amantombazana azoxolela.
Yo and ibhlungu ngoba like it's not only one girl. Yabona if bekuyintombazana eyi-one like aloke cheater nomuntu eyi-one. Yeah, that's when you
so
understand ukuthi I'm
different
living.
goals yabo.
Yo.
Uthola abo sibani. Why are you cheating?
Okay, if kuyenzeka ngithi
Okay.
uthi
Okay, mina
Ay,
ngine
mara vele
question ne.
ngishithelani.
Okay, mina I have a question ne. Why are you cheating? If I don't satisfy you, why can't you just leave? Stop wasting my time. Don't hurt me. Don't drain me emotionally. Just leave.
okay, there's no reason for umuntu ukuthi acheat singaphendula as out. There's no reason for ukuthi umuntu akucheatele if uyakuthanda uthola yonke into ku relationship.
Yeah,
Only reason ukuthi umuntu akucheatele if wenza yonke into. I want to see you, I'm there. I want to do the shandies, I'm there. Like yonke into always available for a dude. Thina sama cheaters dakwazi into ezilula like loyalty siyifila like ngento etypical ngisho ukuthi like this girl she's always ngizona there's no reason for ukuthi for out to cheat. Cheater le sengicheatiswa umona
Pressure.
ubusa
Ditho.
not even the pressure as masama out it's real uzothola out it's amani noma yazi ukuthi unemeli wena mangabe unemeli woziyela ukuthi ucheat ama outs awards ayintwana amlande lo yakufanele.
But I also feel like
Out just cheating.
intimidation. Like you feel like intimidated. You guys feel intimidated.
No.
For example, now Umapule, we are pushing Pilwe. Umapule is a content creator, and when maybe you're not a guy that's like well known and stuff like that. Umapule, uthola mhlamba ma opportunity are big. Yabo. For example, maybe you collab with someone overseas or something. Then when ufila ngazathi you are small, like yena like ufila ngathi useka yak overpower yabo. Agabi like ulokhunjana. Yabo akabi like ngathini like ish.
Okay, into guys, another point. Do you guys know ukuthi sex is spiritual?
Yeah, we discussed that.
Yeah, so
It is.
mina ngazi ukuthi uchitha
But
kanjani
also,
while least you know ukuthi
mina
you
ama-gents, I
connected
think
to
like
the
ukhala.
person. Yeah.
I feel like we cheat. Okhala dog.
That's why ngithi uthola yonke
Mkhopolo.
relationship, there's no need.
Nanoguti, I wanna if like a gent, you feel like girls like you, bro, you would love to explore, nigga.
Also,
Regardless ukuthi your girl is loyal whatsoever, you would still explore. Guys do that.
Yabona kawumele ujole nechiri reason why sometimes ama cheater ne kumele ujole nechero ethanda abona kwislangi nawo.
Yeah.
Ama cheater TikTok thini ngizobona umunye nempundu enkulu sengifuna.
Yes, that's the thing.
manje
Ngijwala
mina
neslender.
ngidingling.
Yes,
Ngi-
ngijwala
shopping
neslender.
ring.
Yeah. Ngijwala neslender.
Oh,
Yes.
Sime kahle
Yes.
mina ngisibheka ngama
Yabo.
sime
Hala
kahle
uyajima mina yo ay
guys uyazi mina okay mina yazi yini into engayisho ne I don't think there's a girl also intimidate her in terms of ama looks and body mina intombazane ezongithusa intombazane ehlakanipha ukudlula mina yeah ukuthi unomzimba nani ayi kunamantombazana amekahle la ngaphandle la eKaSlam bame kahle mara bananqondo
I've been saying that
yabo
for like
so angeke uyabona intoma nabafana nini hlakaniphile ngoba niyabaza abahlakaniphile nabangahlakaniphanga
Yeah, no, we know.
Salo kungazi ukuthi mina I'm smart, I'm street smart, I'm school smart, strategic smart angazi ngizothini. Mara ngoba loyana uMiss Nicki Minaj mina ngime isishingling la. Uzongishiya ulanda ushing Nicki Minaj ungishiye neshingling. Kodwa at some point uzophinda ubuye ushuthi amara lokelo yayi right for mina. Kodwa mina sengikuphi lapho sengihead.
and
Yeah.
I'm
So
also
figure it
I'm
from-
amantombazana abaningi like ne
Tlela ngorata marao.
That's why, you know-
rule nkere bochom thank you so mina like ngifila ngathi like amantombazana amaningi nebana lento leyo ukuthi oh chomi like nomzimbo omuhle yabo izinto ezinjalo like mbhekene ukuthi unjani nani
Yeah.
like mina ngifila ngathi yabo mawuhlakaniphile ne mawuhlakaniphile mhlambe like educational smart yabo street smart isn't the way uMaphule bekasho ngakhona I feel like that's how you are going to actually like achieve izinto zakhe empilweni leyo ukuthi wena ubhakile chomi iyeke
Mara wafela
ma-
siyabaza abantu beba
Because
me
ma-
kahle manje sebazifanela nathi
That's why
Because
thina ama-gents uzothola ukuthi mhlampe I've got this main chick and ume kahle akabhakanga nani you see
thina.
but I would want to fuck that one with the big nyash just because of for fun probably
Yeah,
you
for
see
fun, yeah.
and to explore but I still know ukuthi I've got my girl
I was
You know it could
tired.
also happen ukuthi ujole
it goes back
nomuntu
to-
one big nyashi but ubone enye inyashi ufuna ukuyichupa futhi.
Yeah.
Hey,
I was
ayikatheli,
Ungatheli,
tired.
yabona?
Ngisho
That's-
ngithi,
vele ujole
I
nomuntu
was
omthandayo.
tired. That's what I'm
And
saying.
I
was
think a
tired.
relationship works if a guy loves you more than you love him.
Nah, doesn't. Men's
Mina-
slim.
No
Okay,
way.
if
Hey,
now uyamthanda
ngithanda
nakhona because
unconditional,
awuthi
ngithanda
ayiphenduka ibhara.
conditional.
Okay, awuthi ayixolele i-cheating. Yabona if awuthi izoxolela for ukuthi you slept with another dude, lo muntu uyakuthanda. And usuzomenza
Okay, can I
islima
ask
for
a question?
I
long.
think it would ever
What's
reach to
cheating
that
for you
point if
guys?
you know
Yeah.
what you hate.
How would you describe cheating for you? What's cheating? Umuntu maka cheat suke ayenzeni. What's cheating for you?
Ukubheka impunde groove is cheating.
obviously like it's to be engaged it's to like ukube relationship
Flatter
Wesi
nomuntu basically.
ni cheat
Yes,
kanama ni
flirting
wrong.
No, not everyone is
Flirting,
cheating.
trigger.
Flirting guys
It's
cheating.
cheating.
Dog.
Flirting is cheating.
If you
It's
could
cheating.
entertain someone else's feelings, dog, wazi ukuthi unomuntu.
Yebo.
That's cheating. Yazi kaw mawujola unamehlo, amehla khona dog. If there's a girl ne big nyash, you see she's a big nyash. My girl is shwapa, ngimthanda njalo.
Bakenyana, ufuna
Una
umbenyana.
unamehlo, you're not entertaining that. Amehla azohlala khona, but
Yeah.
if you'd go to the extent ukuthi you're looking at that and you're craving that side yabo eye contact in that's cheating dog. Because ichera komenga if bengekho la and you see that and lo chere bekakwena
Uzomlanda.
you're gonna chupa that shit.
Danki.
yeah but
Likulisa ku chupa chupa lichupa.
Okay.
so you mentioned ukuthi umuntu angakuposta still akucheathele you see so what's your take like on lento yama public relationship like is it worth it like to publicize
To be
your relationship
honest,
is it worth it like
to be honest, a public relationship can like benefit you in both a negative and a positive way. Ne? In a negative way, which is like maybe getting support from friends and relatives and also people on social media to keep you pushing with your partner. And then the negative side is to now it's a must for you to portray this beautiful image of a relationship, not understanding that we relationship there's ups and downs, and just because you are posting the good times, it doesn't mean that the bad times aren't there. It's just because so now you are forced to like portray this image of you guys,
Being
you know,
happy.
exactly, and
Not
also
all
people
the
having
cases.
expectations from
And
you
into-
guys. They have
into-
expectations.
It disadvantage your public relationship. Guys, ngikhuluma ngamlane.
Okay.
But like it's hard to heal because people now expecting you ukuthi you have to angazi bafuna like
You're in love with the image now.
yeah, like even if guy moves on in a relationship, now they have to like compare you to the other like you get compared to each and every guy. Aba comparing and previous. Compare whether because you're the first person who trended with the guy. And footy, it builds trust because we ask Guti immediately if you dating and if you public with your partner and we are cheater, obviously is uyithola indaba because yabazi abantu banjani ufuna ukukhomba ukuthi yeah le relationship yabo ayikho public kuphela nathi siyayithola nathi siyamthola uguy owethu babethu umuntu ethu daddy what yabona into esinjalo so a public relationship at some point I think you should keep it private but not a secret. People should know you have a partner. Ubani. Okay, even if bamazi ubani, it's fine. But then bangazi ukuthi currently kwenzakalana empilweni. Angeke ukuthi wena manje sise Durban uyaposta sise Durban sise Cape Town. Siyalwa ula kuma live videos.
If YouTuber is always vlogging most obviously.
Yeah, you always vlogging but don't post same time. Silapho. Hi guys, nabora manesh. Okay, don't post same time.
I kind of
nalento ukuthi when we have an argument, this is you coming. Yeah, guys. So I fought with your.
That's too public.
Aye. Wait, me and you are
and
fighting.
So guys, Mapule is angry at me now. She's in the bathrooms.
Guys, they do. You know.
But
abanye
bayenza just for the sake of content.
I need to live.
Content. If relationship very public, yeah.
It's content.
Okay.
And amanye relationship,
private.
such things are staged. You see, they talk before prior that shooting. You see, they would speak with now. I feel like Pela, we've seen a lot, like with even Ona lady Mawelele. I felt like as into they were staged.
I don't think they were in a relationship. I feel like it was a publicity stunt.
That was a publicity stunt, bro.
Remember?
Baba
keeping on my yothando, they're in love. Baba keeping on my bahlugene.
Yes.
They're not in a
okay, marketing strategy.
Yeah.
Marketing strategy. Yeah.
Can I? Okay, my opinion. Somehow, I kind of disagree no mapule magathi relationship yakho ibe private and stuff like that, chabo. To be honest, okay, since a typical example, Ubuntle Mdisela and Pretty Ugly, we know that they're in a relationship, but now abeko like out there, siyazi ukuthi bekwe relationship na like bayenza ama video boys and stuff like that, but anyeke anyeke uzo ubone like ukuthi yo
bayalwa
ubuntle beka xabuzane nobani bani and then we also go back, for example, angideleli cupcake but yabo like umfazi wakhe asimazi and stuff like that, bakhona bamaziyo but like asimnakanga kakhulu umfazi kaRamaphosa and anyeke uzubone phume ku article ukuthi typical example yabo umchithele so I feel like it's like a two-way thing yabo it's like a two-way thing. I feel like it's young immaturity.
That's like Kerekuliva. You can be in a relationship and people can know who the person is, but don't update everyone. Everything
becomes
about
too public.
Yeah.
No, bro. You can publicize your relationship to that extent. Like it depends, Gucci. Is it what you guys like wanted, Vel? If that's what we wanted, Vel, we know how the media is gonna. It's the negative that you're gonna get or things that people, because abanye abantu they do these things deliberately, like bakusendela ama text or bakusendela ama nyash
just to and then
yes.
Sometimes it's like uzo approach umuntu ngithola ku media uzofuna ukumqoma because of status
yes.
Then yajola naloyo muntu loyo relationship yeni seyiba public suka nje siqale ebhandeni seyiba public yonke into maseyenzeka sometimes it doesn't happen deliberately.
You see,
sometimes
You see why I'm saying let's see ukuthi amanye ama relationship you can see like umuntu oze nge-intention yokuthi mina ngifuna ukuthanda ngawe because
Yeah.
anyeke uzuthi i-relationship mayicala from ekuqaleni you first meet up
Yeah,
and then
post.
you are taking videos and you are vlogging and stuff.
posting.
I haven't even gotten to know you. Like I
Yeah,
don't know you.
yeah.
I'm just physically attracted to you. Like I only know as far much as what you've told me about yourself.
And I mean, I believe ukuthi if you want to know something about the person, don't ask. Uzitholele wena.
Yeah.
Because obviously mina mawuzongibuza ukuthi nginjani njani ngizokutshela manga ngikutshela ukuthi mina ngiyahlanya mina ngumpete ngukora past angeke ngikutshela lezi zinto lezi. You have to find out yourself ukuthi sharp. So this kind of person is like this and this and this. Sibulawa lento ukuthi siyabuza, what do you like? I like going out. I like
What's your
what.
favorite color?
Yabo. You have to find out yourself
Nkosi yami.
ukuthi sure ulithi uthanda iblue ngiyambona ngempahla zakhe and then he's this kind of person maganam, he's this kind of person maganabantu. That's how you find that. Ungabuza umuntu ukuthi babe ratang. Oh Jesus, uzothi ngithanda ihene so uyafford. What if uzithandele i-black label? Who knows?
Yakhona
But
mara
then because
ukufind
ufuna
out sometimes
uku-impress.
akukho nice ukuthi umuntu onjani
You don't have to ask people. Umuntu wakho uyambona. Even if when you talk, you can pick up some of the things. Yena angamind ukuthi sharp lezinto lezi.
And also-
Izinto ezenza ukuthi ungazi. Mara wena uyazipick
Ukuba
up as umuntu
observant
yeah.
in
Yeah.
a relationship
Uyabona.
is very important. Like, hayi ukuthi manje ngibuze or anything. Yabona ukuthi okay, sharp, we've dated for a certain period of time and this is how you're treating me, sharp. 2 months down the line, I found out you were cheating on me, okay, sharp. And then you are uba right for me na for lesos kashana and then after that, after ukuthi okay, the dust has settled, you go back to you late replying me and stuff like that and stuff like uyabona ukuthi okay, lo muntu lo umuntu onjani, you understand? You can go mhlambe ngisendele i-texting ngo-8 ekseni wena ufile ngathi ufuna ungiphendula kusasa or ebusuku ngisendele i-texting
But what if you're
ngo-11 or
busy?
8 a.m.
Tell me.
Communication is
Tell
key.
me what you busy.
Why
babe.
can't you communicate?
I'll be busy the whole day. I'll text you when I come
And
back.
I've always said this,
Yeah.
ne?
It's
I've
not that
always
hard.
said this.
Yeah.
There's a girl in his phone that doesn't have to beg him to act right. If he wants to, he will.
He will. Mm-hmm.
If you are going to tell me
Guys,
uzongitshela
siyakhanya
ukuthi,
communication. We
"Eish,
don't-
ngisespanini or ngisesikolweni or ngiyafunda," it doesn't even take nearly 2 minutes.
And
If wena ukhathele
But you should say,
ukutypa, yenza
uyamthanda
i-voice note.
mawubhekile umuntu onjalo this person
time.
which means there's someone that is giving attention to
My
you.
point exactly.
That's
This is why I'm
ngithi,
saying
there's
that.
none umuntu nanoma umdlala guys. Mtshela ukuthi I won't be able to answer you now. I'm doing this and this. Mnakelo mnakani.
Okay.
Because manje ngizosala ne question
Ngokubuza
mark.
something ne
And now iyakutrigger thola ukuthi umuntu wakho uke find out ukuthi uyacheat, okay, he's doing into ekanje manje it triggers me. Now I have to go back and shoot, what if he's
time
doing
wonder
it
so,
again, yabo? What if he's doing it again? What if so you are always questioning yourself in a relationship. Do you think that's a healthy relationship?
No, it's not.
It's not.
Okay, what I want to ask is, Nyanizo, you're busy justifying yourself, which is something that's okay. Amantombazane are
We are
always
not
justify
justifying
themselves.
ourselves. We are just
Based on our experiences.
Yeah.
Mina, I'm just saying your opinion yami, how I view it on or mina ingangiphatha kanjani, yabo.
What's
Yeah.
like a few things ne ongazi mention ukuthi wakhe wazenza wabona wa accept wathatha accountability ukuthi I love ngiflopile outside or being wrong.
Should never mention
We're
that.
not manipulating.
There's no such thing. For Bona, there is no such.
Ayikho
Yeah,
fits because
there's
they're
no
always
such.
perfect and they wanna
No, we
just
know.
play the
No,
victim.
not
part, bro.
even.
They wanna play the victim part
Not
all the
even.
time.
Okay,
And
mina
when
one
the
thing I
gen-
can say that I've done, like I can say ukumamela abantu. Mina I used to take decisions.
Yeah.
Sure
I'm
about.
here saying.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's one thing I see
Nah,
affected.
that's too weak. I want something toxic. That's too
Something
weak.
toxic.
Yeah. As much as utu
Mina,
out here chaparapa enzani.
to be honest, I'm
I've never done
someone
that.
toxic.
Mina, guys,
Like that's why usually
Konyana,
see
that's why people take
that's
advantage.
why usually see good relationship most of the time is going to work out in maturity, yabo. Okay, sharp, you guys are both content creators and stuff, yabo, and if you decide to put your relationship in public, that's okay. But some things kumele uhlale esayidini nisikhulume
Nithu.
it doesn't need ukuthi abantu basiba ku social media bazimamele lezo zinto lezo or anything like that, yabo.
So which means you must always portray like good side of your relationship.
No,
with that
but there's
person.
some personal stuff that you can't speak.
Not all that glitters is gold, guys. Milena,
Yeah.
my relationship has
And I'm ups
ups
and
and
downs.
downs.
Yeah.
And people
Exactly.
don't understand
So,
ukuthi
yeah, but-
there's those kind of things in my relationship. I expect her the good part. Guinea.
Yeah.
That's
Yes, because that's
Mina-
what you guys have been giving
Nano
them
man
right
nga
from the
supposed
get-go.
Nano man nga supposed ha unsupposed tani did you guys break up nale ukuthi
There's no need for you to
we are
entertain such things.
poster.
Why
Guys,
when
why
are you going to
mahlukana
entertain such
uposter
things?
why mahlukana uposter why mahlukana ufuna explainela abantu ukuthi sihlukane kanjani uba explainela ukuthi ungishele kanjani no why kumele manje sitshela abantu ukuthi me and you are no longer a thing
Yeah.
we are going to break
Because
up as adults umuntu nomuntu amove on ngempilo yakhe. That's why bas compare because you guys keep on telling people hayi ngiyahlukene sibuyelene.
Guys don't even do that.
No, but for me, mina
Guys,
manje
you
content.
can't name
Okay, yeah,
drop.
for content. Yeah, for
Ama YouTubers,
content.
they do
Mina-
that.
Yeah,
It's-
for content. For
it's
content.
boring,
Yeah.
guys.
Go-
It's
go
very
through
low.
with
Yeah,
that.
but
So,
mina-
It's
mina
very low man
bangiduma.
yabona awungishela ngekamereni why kumele manje utshela abantu ukuthi sihlukene.
No, don't say ungishela ngecamera. And remember, approaching you
Content.
and then you agreed ukuthi we're gonna make our relationship public. So
I know,
that's
some
taking
of
an
the things-
initiative. Ukuthi now our relationship is in the
Yazi
public eye.
ezinye izinto suke singavumelananga ukuthi sichaza ukuthi bayakuposta yabo.
Ooh, son.
Ukabona my followers
But you don't
Okay,
end
No,
up
yabona
saying
ezinye
that.
Oh, you
suke
see with
singazinakanga
that
lezo.
one name.
Unaka ukuthini
To be honest,
bayaposta
yeah, no.
owaziwayo ukuthi shab this is me
Okay.
main chick bakusebela selokhu main chick and yilabo abantu bakusekele yakho
To be honest, now I want
Labantu
to go
abakufebelayo.
back to what you said.
like approach umuntu wakho it's people who are in your circle abazi ukuthi okay shab balwile nomuntu wakhe thini yomduduza.
But yazi ukuthi abantu banjani dog. If they see like a good thing, bro, they will always find way like to shut it down.
Facts. They
always-
always do. They
they'll always do that,
Guys,
bro.
ayikho into enhle
Public,
eniyekayo
dog.
ibe yinhle. Niya criticize. Even if like let's say you from a public relationship, then you get into another relationship. So sekazo compare umuntu wakho manje nalo wakudala ama comments. And obviously
I want to go
akunakuthi
back
ama
to
comment
what he said
awaboni.
now about
Yeah,
the
born.
followers
And umuntu wakho
thing.
ufila kanjani?
Ama-follower nikuba yi-influencer and stuff like that yabo. And it also goes back to what I've said ukuthi immaturity yabo. Angeke ngize ngibe
You should
nawe.
mention names, Joe,
Lale-
because no,
what
I
names?
understand. I mean, ukuthi mawukhuluma kanjani.
It's
Like,
just our opinion. Based on the
Bayazi,
topic.
if you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
hey,
It's
okay.
just
We're not
our
shading people,
opinions
we're just
or-
sharing
on,
opinions.
Like, you know, I feel like me personally, angeke ngitshele nomuntu just because unamanamba amaningi ku social media or anything. I'm going to be honest with you, ne.
Ujoya nomuntu
Now
because
and
of
now.
why?
Now and now, wait, we'll get to that.
Okay,
I'm
nami
going to be honest with
ngikuphendula
you,
leyo.
ne. I've been texted, I've been confronted by a lot of guys that have a lot of numbers on, and to be honest with you, ne, no one, okay, not ukuthi no one or in, but like I've never been that person ukuthi oh show me pheka uba nongitextile nama follower angaka nami ngizogena yabo izinto ezinjalo.
Nemali.
I feel like when you are in a relationship with someone, ne, you need to understand, like ni understandane nina as umuntu and understand why you are in that relationship. You understand that? Angeke uthi ujwayela nomuntu for ama number wakhe. Ma ujwayela nomuntu and you are in a relationship no umuntu, you must understand ukuthi mina I'm here for because I love this person, not because of how others see you, but I'm just seeing someone that deserves to be loved by me.
And khona amanye amantombazane ajola nabantu aba-famous because they think they are going to be famous. You can like pass around famous gents, but thina zamantombazane asikwazi ukuthi udume ngani. Yeah, bengisasho mina yami
And
ilo.
I've seen mina amantombazana atshona nomuntu famous and then
Baqala ukuthi
bahlukana and then they just vanished. Abantu babakhohliwe, they are no.
Enye
they are
into mina
literally
engifuna
nowhere
ukuyisho.
now.
Okay, like ngizoze ngikhuluma into wrong. Okay, yeah.
Uthini manje?
If okay,
Cool,
thing
convey
is, I'm not gonna say anything about the current relationship. Ne?
Oh, there is current relationship.
No, I'm just saying.
Are you in a relationship? Are you in a relationship?
No, Mamela,
You are.
no, Mamela. If it
Are you in a
gets
relationship?
it's his cousin.
She is.
Okay, if it gets to a point though, it's like I get to date, so I need to.
Are
If
you
it gets
dating?
to, no, guys, Mamela,
Are you dating now? Are you
bese ngekho
18?
lapho uthi ngiphendula umbuzo kakhulu because if it gets to a point yokuthi I get to date someone who's well known, popular, famous, I don't know. Mina judging from a past relationship bengambizi ngegama abantu bambiza ngalo. I used to call him ngegama lakhe because I know ukuthi there's life before watermelon ngiyenze example ngam, and there's life before there's life after umapule, which is watermelon. There's life before watermelon, which is umapule. That's why mina ngithi yabona umfana ngangena ku relationship naye angibiza watermelon. I leave
Status.
Ayi but mfana.
I leave.
Ukhuluvakazi unamanga.
But
Ukhuluvakazi uthe yena she has been approached by people with big numbers and akakaza baqoma. Yazi girls banjani? Let me tell you.
I
dog.
didn't say
No.
angazi ngibaqoma. I say
Azange
Uyavuma.
wakwabaqoma. Ashithi baqomile.
hear me out, guys. Hear me out.
Okay.
Hear me out. I said ukuthi ukuthi angikazi ngabaqoma, but laba within laba yabo abang approach manje yabo akekho ongathi ngithi ish lona ngizomqomela cause unama number or ini yabo.
And as soon as it's high watermelon,
No,
I have
but
a crush on you.
abanye dog, it doesn't make
Bye.
sense. Angeke mhlawumbe uzo text with someone like who's big, like in the industry, dog,
Extremely
and
big,
thinks
yeah.
ukuthi obviously
One
that's
thing
like
about me-
it's too suspicious, dog.
Very.
Yeah.
It's too
Very.
suspicious. But if you get someone on our numbers, but still ohlala like us, that
And the
person
one thing,
ungamgoma loyo.
I'm a forex
You
traders athanda ama-influence. Ngixoxeleni indaba. The forex traders. Ma-forex trader, I'm a verified account.
Into common, I think.
Nama-soccer player.
Mouse scroll like social media in most cases it's real uthole outsy yangithole da or ichere da izojola nomuntu yangithola. Most
Mara
cases
ngifila ngathi-
everyone wants to go with umuntu onaleyo clout or whatever.
But
Izolibulala
also trigger
clout.
mfethu.
But
Angeke uthi influencer and then you go and date someone also influence. Obviously that relationship
It's
basically
all about
If it's
Bro.
private, it can work.
it can work.
yeah, if it's private,
Can
it
you
can
make
work.
it? Can you make it private? Nama influencers is it
Yes.
possible?
it is possible.
Okay, yes.
Private,
You know,
shut
you
up,
speak
Pam.
about
It
you
is.
know,
No,
when
no,
you speak
manga
about
wenza
someone of-
angakufebela.
ama-
You'd never know because people don't know who's you, the person
Yeah,
who's dating that guy.
when you speak about I'm
they
a
would
public
still see you with the
relationships.
guy.
No,
Uzohamba
thing
kuphi
is,
naye?
dog, bega,
Uzohamba
bega.
kuphi?
Sizohamba.
Let's you know when you speak about I'm a public and private relationships ne into I think ngifuna isho ukuthi I relationship a public I grand if it went with the flow ayizange ukuthi sina 2 days 3 days
So
jola
uyaposta.
Yes,
if
now
it
set
That's
takes like
what I
3
said.
months
Now, with
Khane
my
ngathi,
first
okay,
meet
lo
up,
muntu
when I saw
serious,
keep
no,
my phone, we are
siyajola.
shooter. I don't even know you. We are still in the process of getting to know each other. You only know as far much as I told you about
And,
me. Or na I love this. What I'm this kind of person. I'm bubbly and stuff like that. Was kanjani ukuthi ngicambela ama
And enye into ne, if even if your relationship yaziwa abantu and then nina you didn't post, I don't think ingaba like inga affectega in a way because you're not posting. They don't know, like bayanibona ema-mall, yes sharp bazokhuluma ukuthi ubani nobani mara ma ungayipostanga wena ayikho into abayizoyisho ngayo i-relationship yakhona.
So I
would
feel
you
like
so-
a public relationship idinga umuntu one emotional intelligence ne.
Yeah.
And you, that's why I said ukuthi idinga umuntu o matured. You see hate comments ukuthi yo mapule
No, you'd still be matured by triggered by
Yabo.
stupid things.
Stupid
Still.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see,
That's why I'm saying emotional
then you get
intelligence.
people,
Yeah,
knowing
you
how
get
to
people
control
who
your
act out of their character just because of they've been triggered.
Now get
That's
the
what I'm
pressure out
saying.
of my life.
Yes. Now it's
You're
crashing
cheat.
out. That person is crashing out now because
Bitch.
of the things that they
You're
said
cheat.
to you or something.
Yeah.
Guys, and then another thing, lento ukuthi manisibona taking videos with guys who are in the industry, it doesn't mean
Yeah.
we're dating guys, because I've been
Hey,
seeing
bandla
people saying
ngiyazela. How
Watermelon dated uTladi, Watermelon dated uJobe, just because Watermelon dated uTifo, just because ngishuta nabo guys.
You've never dated a T4.
Na yini manje.
You've never
Just
dated a
because.
T4.
Hi
You've
guys,
never dated a T4.
Okay, no,
that's
so I wanna ask
Was
something.
there
No.
a thing? Was there a thing between you guys?
No. I know.
Okay, I wanna ask something. I wanna
She
ask
said
something.
like man ngabantu
The
guys
social media,
ngiyakhona.
that the social media.
Yeah, abantu
say like
bacabanga
that.
izinto yeah, like mara
But
Yeah,
wouldn't
that's-
ju-
Okay.
they wouldn't just be there.
Is it something?
He's
from the hood.
Okay, is it something a common ne, or okay? Maybe it could be a hypothetical question. I'm sorry. Would say, am I influencers? update amanye ama-influencers for i-body count yama-influencers.
Yay, they tick those people, but they come at least. But tick sebahleli baya discuss as influencers or a podcast. No, don't tell me about I slept it. No, smash. Like lento yabo
So have
Bruce.
you experienced it?
No, I don't have
What's your
experience
body
with.
count?
Siziphethe kahle bandla.
How bazalwane?
It's just a question.
Man, I said it's less than 5.
It's less than 5.
Not even 4. Not even.
There's no Guinness.
Akekho.
Hayi,
Because
mina
now-
unless umuntu uyaphuma manje
And even
bakhulume bonke.
and even if they would say hlampe it's more than 10, they would tell you it's maybe probably the guys who smash it's less than 5.
Mina
Guys,
zero,
it's for real.
guys.
Yo,
Zero. I don't do adult
I feel
things.
bad.
asazi.
I don't do adult things.
Ay,
guys.
Uyakhula guys, ukuluve still young.
Yeah.
Uzofika.
I don't do
Understand
adult
Yeah.
things. And
Mina-
njengoba bengishilo ukuthi mina I'm a child of God and I obey God.
Hayi child of
Yabo. So I respect sex before marriage.
But there are a lot of
Okay.
things that
Yeah.
Respect
if
equal.
like we had to follow the Bible, bro. A lot of things businesses and
sizohlanyisa.
a lot of things.
Like mina ngiqeda ukubheka ama 10 commandments asika ezulwini. Asiye ezulwini.
Into engisele ngayo mina ukuthi sex before marriage is a sin nokuthi do not kill.
Otherwise, no man.
Ay, child.
Chai mfana.
But then mina I wouldn't judge. Angazi ukuthi ngizothi I wouldn't judge a girl with a lot of body counts or what. At some point vele kwamele sizihloniphe as amantombazane and stuff.
Nihloniphe aunties
Mara
nabantu.
yeah, like mara ukuba ne body count eningi kukunika experience to some of the girls. You know ukuthi umfana maka actor so.
So you're agreeing
Unje.
with what I said? Good, you need to have fun in life.
Explore.
That's what Fun ngomzimba.
Indirectly.
Indirect, yeah.
Indirectly, she is.
Lalelan, ne. You can have fun, ne. You can have fun uthi you are enjoying your
Not
youth
kamili,
and
guys.
stuff like that. Not
kamili,
ngezinye
but
izinto.
ukhuluma nge-
Because uzokhula uzoba nabantwana and then wena mawubheka like life yakho like emuva uzothi yo this is mina ifani yami like bengilala bengiphuza everything afuna ukwenza nix yabo. It goes back to when mangithi like abanye abantu ne angibazweli like ubhlungu. Like abanye abantu angibazwela ubhlungu because bona bazibekile ukuthi bafike kuleyo position there. Mahamba ulala awazi ukuthi kunama disease.
My souls, guys. You
Don't
go
you
on
know that-
collecting souls.
Don't you know that ukuthi kunama diseases ngaphandle?
Ezinye izinto
So
sinokuzibambezela
expect
thina.
them.
I feel like what we don't look at, she was right, watermelon. Well, we'll have this thing ukuthi would want to fuck, but Liama soul ties is what we tend to ignore.
You know,
see?
because of what, dog?
What?
See, in most cases, we F around because of elastic.
Yeah, we are
Yes,
driven
it-
by, yeah, we are
Yes,
driven
Yes,
by lust.
the minute
Yeah.
the minute you have a lot of souls, you don't even catch feelings
It
anymore.
happens. It happens.
I'm
Don't
just
catch
feel like
feelings
they're driven
anymore.
by lust, most of them. That's why
Hey,
you tend
yeah,
to, even if you still have
Lerata
that person, ane,
Lerata
unai, but
sphanga.
you'd still go and want to fuck abanye abantu. Like it's just it's natural for
Asimayebo.
gents.
It happens.
Urata
It
sphanga
happens.
ngasimayemo, guys. So
It happens with us actually. It
but
happens.
then yeah, it leads to a point of which like answer catch my feelings. That's why you just
And I
It's not
also
even
feel like
around and then
it's
pass.
being
Today's
hate, Joe. Yes,
generation-
I'm outside here take too much.
I
Joe.
also feel like in today's
we're going to
generation,
stuff, bro.
Yo.
We're going to stuff, bro.
Hey,
And
I'm
you
out
don't-
there.
you don't wanna share the
Now,
stuff with
one
us.
thing that we forgot to mention, we as gent, we also use sex as a remedy, like to get
Oh,
certain
too much.
things. Yeah, we
And
do.
then
And
We do.
ichita masasebenzisa amantombazane ngithola for iremedy. That's when bazothi abafana aba toxic.
Yes.
Because wenziwa amantombazane ayi-2 ayi-3. Wena so each and every now and then ufila leyo pattern leyo.
Yes.
Maso uyenza basa-understand ukuthi uphumaphi.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Yes. Yes.
Intombazane one yakhona ukushintshisa yonke leyo mentality.
Yes.
Akwenzeka yi-one futhi ukuthi ushintshe yonke leyo mentality
Yeah.
ubuyele futhi
Ungaba
ube.
straight gent, but uthola uchiko ozokufebela, then nawe masophuma lapho usuyazifebela nje. Mawuphuma kulo relationship.
Yabo.
sifela abantu
So
abafebele.
So bona nje
Yeah.
ayisekho into right.
That's
So
why
bona
ngishilo
nje
ukuthi
ukuthi
nina
it's unfair.
nisijudge based on your past experiences. Guys, explore a person with clear and pure intentions. Start on a new clean slate.
Umchita might approach her like with like genuinely like uzokutshengisa ukuthi okay I like you and stuff like that, but when it's you guys like who give us these these different
Yeah,
direction from
yeah.
from the end goal that I wanted,
And
where
it's
I
a
wanted
find
us
out
to go.
a shame.
It's you guys that like just divert our whole version about our relationship. It's you guys who tend to
There's
do
two
that
types
to
of
us.
approach. Khona awuthi approacha ikutshengisa ukuthi iyakufuna iyakuthanda. Khona approach ekutshela ukuthi hayi le ifuna nje ukuvibe
Yeah,
ikhohle
true.
ngithola.
And you would
Guys,
see leyo nto leyo.
I-optimize ngale askisi i-optimize ngale mentality ukuthi ufuna ukukuthanda. It's only like one njoba ngisho ukuthi it's only one chance ukuthi lo mchitha lo uyakuthemba in and then you also fuck up one time abe savage uthi abafana izinja.
ngicela ukubuza ukuthi sengizibuzela mina I'm joking. Asking for a friend.
Oh, asking for a friend.
I'm asking
I
for a
like those
friend.
questions.
So does it happen ukuthi umfana akufune maybe like sexually for isikhathi eside, or it happens ukuthi umfana akufune sexually for isikhathi esincane, then if akuthola ayenza into adlule, but then umfana akufuna isikhathi eside mara understand ama intentions angazi if mina ngizokuza question ama ihlangani mara
yahla ngiyayizwa
Ngiyayizwa.
two ways yeah
yeah kuyenzeka ukuthi akufuna isikhathi eside sexually.
yenzeka
Yeah, it happens.
in most cases ne serious umfana mayozokufuna kanjalo it's either awusintombazane ehluphayo efona kaningi mhlawumbe une main chick ngithola uyakufuna sexually awusintombazane ehluphayo ngithola ukuthi ufona yona manje le ntombazane efona ngithola uyadina hey lo uyahlupha ngisamfuna
it goes back
but
to the
mazoba
thing
le chat le
yokuthi
ukuthi
mayithola umjidi yabona ucomplaine ngokuthi guys they don't text umuntu mhlawumbe azokutexta manje ngo7 uzomtexta manje
Umuntu akufonele
ngo7
ngo-3, guys, ngo-3.
and another thing yenza ukuthi amachita leyo nto leyo ne angazi ukuthi namantombazana ayayithanda or ayenjoy leyo nto into yenza nepartner yakhe in most cases angazi ukuthi nizoyijustify or nizoyenzani angeke kuyenze nalomuntu omthola esayidini so that's why enye out izo busy ba consistent
Guys,
kufuneka
ngiyangihlanyisa mina hayi mina
Kanti tell me bani,
ngiyangihlanyisa first of oil why kumele uthola abanye abantu esayidini for ini
yo
It's like,
Guys,
if-
siya find
no,
out,
lalela,
eh?
lalela. Let me tell you, I would still love you, but I'd still get tempted too much.
Especially
Tina-
if
so
no,
don't you
no.
think
Tina-
I don't get tempted?
Yeah, no, you
I do get
do,
tempted, but
yeah.
I know how to control myself. Why can't you control yourself?
Phela,
Ayi,
phela we're
bo.
different.
Ooh, so sometimes
We
I'm
different,
doing-
bro.
And
some people don't want to okay
Don't buy
there's
it.
one thing that I
Different,
wanted to ask you and you didn't want to answer me and I'm going to ask you again
Ask.
yini into eniyenzayo nine side lane owakho feel ukuthi la being wrong I fucked up and I took
Mina
accountability
ngishilo
no
ukuthi
it can't be that I'm
Aye.
you
Something-
won't say
something
it
pretty-
great.
Something pretty toxic from that.
amantombazane don't want to take accountability
No, they don't,
Think
bro.
about it. I think maybe it's
Mina-
because we don't
mina-
have.
I-
I mean, I don't
mina-
have experience
I-
in dating.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd ever come to a point ukuthi manje like ngingakhuluma ukuthi
Yeah.
something toxic that I've done.
okay how many dudes
Yabo.
have you dated
Mina.
I asked her her body count. She said it's like
okay asiza kuma dudes how many dudes have you dated
Manje bebangiklima nina ningiklima yyo. I think it's ingbo. Manje it was not serious. Angazi ngizobala kulaba.
okay just estimate
I'll count
le
from my
efila.
body counts.
now it's not I don't know
Okay,
included or don't
because
included
like
how many
as in
dudes have
using
you
the pillar, it
dated
was not that serious. We didn't even reach serious points. Thank you, God. Yeah. Singbo. Maybe like 10.
10
Yeah, 10.
Uluva
Ingathi.
Mina,
I 10 I fee.
think 6.
6 ne?
okay
I'm
so
at 10,
okay,
10, 10,
in that
10.
number ne there's ngisho ne mistake ewana ukuthi approach umjitho ewana or ini u flat or in but ubuyozikhuphule like
Oh,
that has
mina-
never happened
Mina ne into ngiphendula I question yakho ne into yokuthi like la okay wathatha accountability khona na. Like I was dating this guy ne and then like something happened and like uyazazi
that's mad
Siyazi ubani loyo? Ubani loyo?
uyazazi yena
Okay.
yabo and then like
yeah, naughty.
something happened yabo like yo like it put like
what
relationship
that's why
here
it's, I want you to
Ish,
accept
I-
accountability you've been
Mina,
dragging
guys,
our
yes,
part.
yes, in most
ezinye izinto ne
They
ezinye
don't.
izinto
They don't take
ezinye
No, we
izinto
do
angizikhulumi.
take accountability.
No, they don't.
Mina guys,
Like
enye into.
mina guys mama let me tell you ezinye izinto like angifuni ukuzikhuluma la ne and then he got angry because of that but I tried to explain to him ukuthi okay mina kule industry ngikuye kanje yabo, and if ever ngikufilisa ngathi usmall or anything, I'm really sorry about that, but can you also understand the type of industry that I'm in? You understand? So I think that's yeah, I've taken accountability for that.
Now I think ukuhlala kwami namachita it triggers the insecurity in most of the guys I've dated, because like bathi like mabangitshela abanye, some of
And
them
I hate a girl with
they're
so
like
many
mina like
yeah,
ngikhule
that's
nabafana.
No, that's a red flag.
mina
that's
nasinabangani
a
bami
red
like
flag.
nabo fezela bayazi bangibiza mjita bayashaya nantwana ngekho intombazane ezokuphanya ngikhule nabafana ikasi ngibela amabona so yabona like lento enjalo mina ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi kulabafana engihlala nabo akwenzeki ukuthi weyiwana khona ngingajoli nabo. What's that?
Oh, okay, no, is that does that happen ugu relationship or it just happens usinging?
New relationship like
Okay.
umuntu angitshela ukuthi labangane ngihamba nabo ngitshela noyiwani hayibo
But
kanjani
there's
manje
a certain
ngithole
vibe that
ngabo.
which means there's something that he's saying. He can't just say that. He wouldn't say that
Okay,
out of
no, think
proportion.
about it.
Maybe it's because
No,
mina
he
I'm
wouldn't say
goofy.
that out of proportion.
Okay,
Maybe
no,
it's because
Oh,
mina I'm
maybe in
goofy.
their past
Even
relationship
now.
ne ugirl wabo beka bangani nabantu abesilisa kakhulu, and then that go wafanda ukuthi loyo girl loyo ojola nomuntu amongst lapho esjiteni, so ufila ngathi maye cause ujola nomapule manje umapule is also going to do the
same thing.
No, trigger. Can a gent and a hand be friends, bro? No, let's be honest, nigga.
it can only happen
It
if
can.
Uchita wants that.
Yo,
Not intombazane if it
sana.
wants. Because the reason why ngisho kanjalo
It
you
can.
can say ukuthi we are friends. Usida kulahle. If mina ngikho kulo mentality
Yeah,
leyo,
hey.
Nzokuchuba,
Angeke.
yes. And
Nzokuchuba.
if you are drunk, remember.
Guys, no, Nina, you guys.
Should see mina my friends are the best
Nina.
because they've
Guys,
never
no,
even
that's
tried.
the
No.
thing.
Okay,
You
for
know
me,
towards
ne, ngicela
Oh, you know towards ne. Okay, manje I don't think izosebenza futhi since sikhuluma kanje. Approach one of actually ngeke isebenze. So what you were supposed to
This
do
thing
ne,
ukuthi
just tell them
ngitshela
ukuthi
ukuthi-
mfethu, I got
Let
feelings
it try,
for you
let
or
it try.
in.
Try it,
Just say the approach and see ukuthi
try it,
kuzoyenzakalani.
Mina ngizosesa
No. Do it when you're
drink
so
with that.
drunk,
No,
yeah.
akaphuze with that gent in the
Yeah,
same room.
when you're drunk or
When you're
in-
drunk and
not
see what
even like
happens
guys
after
in the
that.
same
do
room.
you know that
Yeah.
me Smiley's brother I love abanye because we sleep in the same bed.
Is it?
Yeah, like
And nothing happened.
like they've never. You see, till this day, I respect. Mamele, till date, I respect to Smile, nomntana kibo, because they've never tried. Angazi, maybe it's because.
Bayakusaba.
No.
Are you sure?
Guys,
I'm 100%.
Okay,
They've
nikhule nabo.
never tried. No.
Okay,
Angikhulanga
maybe.
nabo. They've never tried. Like nokungithinta nanoma bathi we went to an event, they're tipsy. What? They've never even tried even
I
once.
believe you me. I
They've
doubt
never-
it, Shemela, if
Oh
you-
wait, you
But
see,
khona
it's
lezi nkulumo
okay.
zokuthi
I would
wara
say
wara
I'm
uyangifuna
not
mara
offending you.
guys
No, I'm not
yazi mina
feeling
ngiyaba
offended.
respecta.
I'm
Till
just saying,
date.
yeah, well, into that's just who you are. Cause when I am PE, so meaning in other words, when if it was
Unjalo.
you,
The thing is, I know how much
Cheat now, unjalo.
Sabachita, no.
you would
bro,
try to do
no.
that. That's basically you just saying.
Listen,
We are
first
talking
and
from
foremost,
me.
no.
We are talking from the
I only
perspective
have-
of the gents.
I
on
only
it.
have one female friend in life in him. Reason being is because I know it for a fact. So good any other girl mfethu makazoba ku circle yami should njoba into engishoyo should anything happen
You
or
are,
in okay
guys.
not now good relationship should anything happen back then bezomjupa yangithola no I only have one female friend and I respect it to that level ukuthi mangimbona ngibona usisi
Maybe that's
yeah
how they
that's why ngithi it
feel.
only gets to that extent if out ivumile but if out
and that
accept
thing-
Okay.
usasena leso space ukuthi oh let's
From now
something
on
else.
angisayifuni
Yeah,
boyfriend
and also-
enomngane wentombazane.
And also, bro,
From now
that
on
foundation is
sayifuni.
built.
Mfethu, yeah, it's built.
It wouldn't just.
And leyo ukuthi she's just
Angithandi leyo
nalento
phrase.
leyo ukuthi hayi singama best friend mara manje singimthatha njengosisi wami she's a sister to me now akahambe
Makahambe. Mara-
akahambe mfethu
Amanye ama friendship uyabona ukuthi this is sister and
You
brother.
should also
Especially
start with your dude.
if uyamazela umfana. I don't think it ever it gets to that point ukuthi niyajubana. umazi ukuthi uthanda amantombazana amaningi then akujupe asuka uDom.
Okay, mara yeah, uMapule une point
Sukudom.
uMapule ngokuthi like amanye ama friendship uyabona ukuthi ama brother and sister friendship and stuff. For example, mina nengizwenza example nge friendship yami noma Vest yabo. We've like kunabantu abaningi bese bacabanga ukuthi mina noma Vest like siyajola anything.
Because he's never seen you like that. Akakaza kubuka from that.
Exactly,
eye.
from
That's
that
the thing.
eye, yabo.
But
Yeah.
if you were to shift that eye to a different position, he can still be your friend and pretend up until he can dance.
I don't if
No,
it
no,
gets to
I
that
don't
point,
think so.
our vibes
I
won't
mean,
be the
I
same,
could bet
guys.
money
I
on
don't
it,
think
Jim. I
so,
could bet
Sean.
money on it.
Aye, bro.
Like
he can.
a relationship intombazana nomfana, it can only happen if umfana avumile.
Yeah.
When ungavumi intombazana ukuthi hayi lo achoose wami naye avume bafitha hayi bafitha. Yeah, ngimtreat but should anything happen ulahle.
Uzobona.
That's why I need to tell dates.
You'd say in the
Can
morning,
we talk
I don't know what
about-
happened.
Can
So
we talk
dates,
about
that's why I'm saying I
GBV?
respect to Smiley and his little brother.
Yeah, before we wrap it up, I just wanted us to tap into that. So I feel like Mina, is it? I don't know if I'm the only one like who feels like this. It's cheating. Like I feel like it's part of the reason why we have gender-based violence. It's cheating on its own.
No.
Not all.
I
No,
disagree.
it is. It's part
I
of the
disagree.
reason we have itchy. No, bro. Let me make a typical example. If now, I don't want to make example here because they would assume a lot of things.
Yeah.
So if
No,
like
you
I'm
can-
dating a han and then
Yeah.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
that han uyang chitela, bro. What happens in most cases? Ubana suka shaya omunye dog. What happens? Because uzothola ukuthi umchita uzombeka isandla. That's is it that not GPV?
It's
GPV.
impama
It's
yomfana
easy,
GPV,
but-
guys.
It's part of the reason
But-
we have.
Okay.
It's part of the
Okay,
reason
yeah.
now.
Yeah.
It
Reason why
does.
corner is
Yes.
because of that.
No, I
yeah.
disagree.
And
Ne?
yes.
Listen, let me tell you. No, I disagree. Ne?
Okay.
I think akusiyiyo kuphela. Yeah, cheating can
Yeah,
also be,
akusiyiyo, yeah.
but
I said it's
akusiyiyo
part of.
kuphela.
Listen
Yeah.
to my statement. Don't
Why
say
it
it's
was
part of the reason
initiated
Okay,
why
sharp.
we have
Yeah.
EGPV.
Okay, sharp. Eating is correct now. I feel like another dominating factor to GPV is gender inequality. Njengoba bengishilo. Bona uMapule usebenza namanye ama artists amakhulu nani. Wena maye ufila ngathi like ufila ngathi maye like umncane
Nalento ukuthi-
and then so shaya uMapule because of that.
ene imali
Yabo.
eningi more than indoda.
Yo,
Yeah,
also nama-
yeah.
nama-
Shaya nama-
Yeah.
machita for ukuthi
Yeah.
Uzobuza
Unless
ukuthi
if-
uyithatha phi imali edlule yakhe.
Unless if you'd only beat that lady if like mhlampe she portrays that character yokuthi mhlampe she makes you feel small as a gent ukuthi no I have money and you don't have. That's when maybe azogcina mhlampe aba
But also
violence towards
but
women.
also another factor that contributes to gender-based violence there. I think, for example, mina ngijola noMapule yabo, and uMapule or ithi siyajola kanje, and then mina like angikwazi ukuziprovidela yabo, I'm depending on uMapule yabo, so now I can't even go out of that relationship because I'm depending on uMapule.
Yeah.
But also another thing, can I be, guys, hey, don't come for me. I know what I'm about to say. GPV is a very sensitive and a complex topic, but this is my point of view. Let's respect my opinion on this whole situation. Mina ngifila ngathi amanye amantombazana ayazenza because you are telling me wena you are going to umuntu umtshela ukuthi chemi kanti wena wangaphumi kule relationship le cause bheka lo mfana lo leso sikhathi uyambona unjani thola ukuthi bamshise nge2 plate nje lapha like uyabona ukuthi like le abuse serious chemi wangaphumi kule relationship le chemi ngiyamthanda okay should ufuna
Akangishayi
No,
uyangithanda.
uyamthanda.
Ayikho leyo.
Ifa.
You're not my
Guys,
father.
I'm so
You're not
sorry.
my father ukuthi
I'm so
ungishaye.
sorry.
Why
I
kumele
know
ungikhombe
abanye
ukuthi uyangithanda?
But guys,
guys-
guys who feels like they own Labo Cherry. Like
You know-
if maybe I do everything for you.
Guys,
Obviously,
there's
if
different
you go-
sides,
if-
dog.
if you go
Once
and
umfana
cheat,
kushaya
obviously-
ngempama, just leave.
There's different
Just
sides of
leave.
it. No, thing is, okay, let's look at it this way, ne. Siyazwana ne. Siku relationship siyazwana ne. And then it happens ukuthi I got you mhlawumbe ungena lutho yangithola. I am doing everything for you. And then sometimes khona ama outs asile. They do this intentional ukuthi sewafuna abuse because bayazi ukuthi at the end of the day ngeke
Yeah,
uzobuya
intention.
yabo.
Yeah.
And then
That's
kube
what I'm
khona
saying.
out ezothini mhlambe unama insecurities or ini mhlambe nawo menza feel insecure
uyabona ukuthi yo
inama points
umapule
nama sides abhaya ngithola yeah
umapule muhle
ushela abantu abaningi
yabo
that's when
sekashayelwa lokho yabo
avele uyamfuna
vele makamshaya vele makakushaya umkhiphiliswe and stuff then uyokhipha like igama elithi yeah wena ngifuna ukwenza kanje ngoba ngifuna ukuthi uwazi ukuthi yimi kuphela ngizokuacceptayo la bese umkhiphilihlo ucanga ukuthi hayi vele lo makanganalihla ngeke asambona
and also men experience GBV guys and like into enganakwa eSouth Africa
sana lwami mina
guys amadoda yashawa la ngaphansi
yo gawo yazi you know
amadoda yakho
there's something that I wanted to mention umthetho we-GBV SA I don't feel like accommodates amachita kakhulu wabafazi dog
you know why
Yeah.
you know why ne GBV it's a two-way thing. That's why it's called gender-based violence because it's between both genders.
Yes.
But that like in most cases it's women. Like most in most cases it's
vele you
women
never
and
hear
girls.
ukuthi
Yeah.
uJonas
Yeah.
wabulawa umfazi wakhe
It's the same as rape.
Never.
Rape the same as rape ne.
Yes.
Abafana ne anye like ubezwe like bakhuluma kakhulu
Ngakhulu.
ngabafana
Because
why
basaba.
that dominating the most dominating gender amantombazana.
and then abanye like
Apela
boys
ibe
don't
joke
like
if
to
you go to
share
police station and say,
yes
Yeah.
boys don't like
Exactly.
ubona
Open a case.
Exactly.
But hayi ithahamba yo reporter
Yo.
No, but
Same
to be
time.
honest,
Even
yes,
in
I'm a
Amman,
point.
you're
No,
taken.
guys.
Speaking about that,
No.
talking from experience, dog, I've came across a similar situation, dog. Police station in Eden, Fukvuli case. I was not assisted, dog.
You
I was
remember.
not
That's what I
assisted.
want to
And
say
after
now.
an hour,
Yeah.
after an hour, she came back to my place. Namavena with my 3 or 4.
You see?
See, like me now, I was
Lapho
ngaze ngaye
nje
police station,
iqala.
dog. Ngaye police station. I was
And
not
then
assisted.
And then it makes a lot of sense. How many men do you think like are in jail that
Ngiyenta
like,
bangayenzanga
things
or
that they didn't
bra like
Oh,
rape so
this takes me back to like there was a story that was trending. I think it
So-
was 3 years ago. The begwabantwana be high school ne, and then like this guy was a smart guy. So this girl ne ucambele lo mfana lo amang ukuthi umrapile. I don't know what was the intention or whatever it is. And this guy, yeah, now because like he was just like a nerd. Yabo mfana uhlala wenza isikolo izinto zakhe
Mhlawumbe ufuna
zesikole.
ransom.
Yeah, mhlambe izinto ezinjalo and stuff. And like he kept on saying ukuthi I didn't do that. And loyo mfana loyo wagcina wazibulala because now like into yokuthi manje uzoya ejele for into ongayenzanga
painful.
yabo.
nalento ukuthi you get to a
You'd
point
rather die,
ukuthi
Trigger,
You
to
get
go in
jail.
jail for something that you didn't do.
Mfana ngafa mfana. For into engayenzanga hayi. Akushaya face ukubula. Ubonile le video athi trend no. Yalentwana abashise uche bamrapile and then bamshisa. Lezi kade basishaye le one kade bayishaye jele.
ejele amantombazana ayi2
What happened? What was the context?
No, ngikhohle
I think
apparently
oyi1 bekatshela noyi1 wakhona then ahamba nomngani
Daisy babashisa. Abona ngale video athi trend alentwana bayishaye jele nje serious.
I didn't see that.
Imagine you didn't do anything. So kule imagine again.
And lejele bayaripana.
Same things angithola.
Yeah, actually, no, we hear a lot of stories
Yeah.
from
Cabanga
these
abantu
social,
bayabopha
these
bakubopha
other
i-
social platforms. ukuthi it's rape, it's a rape.
Prison like has a big impact in your life yabo. Mawungena, that's why ngisho ngithi mawungena leya it's either a life or death situation because abanye abantu bangena ba right umuntu health umuntu abuye sekagula.
Sekagula, yeah.
nemental guys
But before
ubonana
we wrap it
nebond
up-
every
but
day
Before we wrap it up, do you think, guys, like, is there a way, like, to hinder gender-based violence? Is there like a way? Will we ever like
No.
find a way, like, to hinder
No.
that? Which
because
means, like,
gender-based
it's an ongoing
violence
crisis,
is
most.
a
I think-
disease
Mina,
pandemic
I think, yeah,
It's a pandemic, innit?
it's a pandemic it won't
The only way
end.
it
Mina,
can
I
be
think-
solved ne because in most cases ne I basic ngokubona kwami kuze initiate it was because of abantu besifazana ababhizi kakhulu but amachita it's rare no
but- okay.
it's only it's my perspective ngiyangithola for it out ukuthi izowina into engayenzanga in most cases because nje babazothi urapile awuna lawyer awuna next wazisokolela uzogcina yofahla ka 25 years or many years
Facts.
so the only way you can also like mele wenze peace nalokho ukuthi ekugcineni gender based violence khona and if intombi yami ngathi ngidiphe nayo la ye police station azofika amaven you need to defense ongaba nayo ukuyi nawe nje uthi yazini singibe safe angithi mhlambe it's unnecessary sometimes ukuthi ube ne lawyer side nakho umuntu ozokulwela because nama uzikhulumela nje uzofika bathi state lawyer
Yeah,
uzoyenzani
yeah,
25
yeah.
years uzoyidonsa
But also, Trigger, yabo lento ishilo, dog, women, like, I feel like they are the ones that pushes us to do all these things, bro.
They do,
Like
dog.
cheating, gender-based violence. Phela abanye uzothola ukuthi
Ngiyakuphendula.
yeah, uzothola mhlambe indlela amphendula ngayo or uyoqale washaya umcheat. Yeah, so then umcheat mase react lapho obviously.
And obviously amadoda anamandla than
Anamandla, you see. So yibo nabo like who just press those
Also,
buttons.
I feel
Yeah.
like ngiphendula umbuzo wakho ne ukuthi like will we ever like it's like lento le gender based violence iphele ne mina ngiyavuma ne but ukuze lento le iziphele ne sibheka like iSAPS like ne isa iSAPS guys like amaphoyisa they need to like I feel like nabo they need to learn like handle lama situation lawa yabo cause njengoba bekashilo ukuthi he went to police station he was unattended but lo makaya yena uze ngamavene ayingakhi ay3 lapha yabo so amanye like ngathini amanye thola ukuthi umuntu ufika ukuthi yo I was raped ne and then they ask you and they say to you do you have proof yenza lento le even yakushathara once like awusafuni like nokuya further ngaleyo case leyo because unalento leyo ukuthi yo like maye who's going to believe me yabo izinto ezinjalo so also I think singaqala like lapho yabo and also futhi like as abafana or singathi abafana like both genders ne iba nomuntu ozokwazi ukumhandlela if ubona kathi lo muntu lo ukuphendula snacks
but you wouldn't know ukuthi
Phuma
Magliwa you
like
wouldn't know ukuthi uzomhandlela
and
or no.
there's some
Kuma fights,
there's some
you wouldn't
niggas
know, bro.
listen
who
ne,
You
like
wouldn't know.
ababeka
I feel
izinto.
like mina we need to start
Babeka lazo keep
That's
on
why-
campaigns
that's
running
what I'm saying.
or ama programs
That's why
to
I'm saying-
educate people about gender
Oh,
gender-based
guys,
violence. You
let's
see,
also look at it in Gule generation. Do you think this generation would want to actually attend those events?
no, we can do phela manje
Exactly,
everything like
guys.
it's in the social media. We can do these. There can be platforms created for us to learn such things. You see,
It doesn't. I don't think in our generation.
Guys,
it
you
affects
also-
us
you
that
guys-
much.
no, we don't, bro.
nina
No.
guys
niprove
also-
ipoint emajiteni ukuthi
Yeah.
akacontrol lo uyamshaya
You guys also need to understand.
Ah, thina
ukuthi
kwi
social
generation
media,
yethu, it's
guys,
not even
listen,
there. It's not
listen.
even there, bro.
You guys
It's
also
these
need to understand
90s, 80s.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's there. Yeah, but deal with
most
those
of us
things.
they are cheat.
Yeah, you
yeah
cheating. Thina, yeah,
kunamantombazana
yabo.
ashaya amadoda la ngaphandle
Hey
hey
yo.
Hey.
Amkhani ubulungu ayishintwana lesingenzela amasiko.
Anyway, guys, thank you very much for coming.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, and we had a nice conversation. I guess we can just sivalelise kuma viewers and then we'll I think we'll take it from there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you
Ladies
can.
first.
Yeah, ladies first as usual. Okay, let me start. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Yes, sir.
Okay, our face also happy to come back again. Hopefully we can do this again and
Yeah,
again
eh?
and again.
Yeah, true.
We had a very lovely conversation, discussion. Thank you.
Yeah, to unpack as in the next time, you see.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's
Okay.
going to be very worth it, and I hope they all enjoyed the interview. Actually, yeah.
Okay. Firstly, I'd like to thank you, let's see, for the platform, and we really like dived into like topic anganawa kakhulu yabo like abantu and stuff, and hopefully abantu bazo like they'll learn new stuff or look at things in a different perspective like kule podcast there. And to my fans, abantu bangisupportayo ne. Ke le rata Malsal Dal Hamanskral Malsal what? You guys should continue supporting me. Yeah, re popa kaofela.
Bing, bing, bing.
Wa itse ping 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 re popa kaofela, and don't forget to pray because people are at war with you
Yebo.
spiritually. Yabo, and always be kind, guys. Always be kind. Always be kind, guys. Yabo. Yeah, and I think that's it.
What do I have to say?
Yo, okay, guys. I touched most of the things I wanted to say, but then I'd like to say continue subscribing, continue watching us. I mean, I don't call them fans, I call them family because they're the reasons why they're the reason why I'm here
Yeah.
today. And thank you guys for showing us the love is kids from the ghettos. Now we would know. We are well known.
Bang busy cheese kasi, but I'm cold and ghetto in the suburbs.
So yeah, thank you guys. Keep on doing the most.
Thank you very much.
Love you.
To the most. Bye.